Yo, what's going on, everybody? How we all doing today, man? Hopefully we are doing good, folks. Hopefully we're doing good. Yo, yo, yo. What is happening, everybody? Welcome. It is awesome to have you all here. We have a lot to talk about and a lot to look at. So, yeah, man. How is everybody today, man? I'm going to open the chat. Who's going to be first, everybody? Yo, what is going on, PJ Solar? What's happening? I'm going to let the Twitter world know we are live now. I'll let everybody know. Hashtag Shiba Inu. And yeah, let the folks know we are live, man. Boom, why not, man? Yo, what's going on, Pavin? What's happening, everybody? How we all doing tonight, guys? What's going on, y'all? How we doing, everybody? What is going on, Durka? Why the supply went up? Yes, absolutely. I will get into that. I just went live a second ago, so I'm gonna wait for a couple people to get in here, and I will talk about that supply. Daniel S, what's going on? Jay Whiskey, why is Shiba going down? I will get into that. Absolutely, we will go into that tonight, guys, for sure. What's going on, Shaz? How you doing? Shazadnib, how you doing, guys? Welcome, everybody. How we all doing? Give me a 1 in chat if you guys are here and you guys are watching. Elijah Wright, how's it going, buddy? Waiting for the circulation correction? Yes, yes. How's it going from Pakistan? How you doing, Shaz? How's it going? So, guys, here we go. Let's get into a little bit about what it looks like right now SHIB is doing. I've also been following MANA, which I love. What's up, Soccer? What's up, buddy? Hey, man, you gotta be MANA here, Soccer. You gotta be MANA here, baby. Is crying okay? Like, just sitting in your room crying? Yeah, I think crying is a healthy emotion. I think crying is healthy. Can I hold SHIB? Are you asking? I mean, there are a lot, like, how to? I mean, yeah. I mean, you could buy it and hold it. I mean, yeah. I mean, it's up to you as to whether or not you want to buy it or sell it. That is your decision. Hey, Soccer! 34 people, guys. Nice to have you here. PJ, thanks for sticking around, man. I appreciate that. Hey, Soccer, of course, buddy. You bet, man. Guys, it is so nice to have you here. What's going on, Doc Harris? Up 150% on Mana. Hey, man. Got to love Mana, dude. Got to freaking love it, man. Well, let me do this. While this loads, let me do that. Okay. Guys, if you've not already, guys, make sure to join the Discord, folks. Make sure to join the Discord. How we doing, Evan James? What's going on, guys? What is happening? I'm tagging everyone here and letting them know that I am live in Discord here. All right, guys. How we all doing? What's going on, Lokeshwar? Yeah, you technically can't hold SHIB. Evan James, how you doing, man? Daniel S, other cryptos. Sure. Hottest new altcoin. I get into that. What's going on? Nafali, how's it going? I'm not sure why my stuff isn't auto-playing. This should be auto-playing. I will let this auto-play here. And yeah, we're going to just play these here. But yeah, guys. So when it comes down to it, let me let these autoplay here. Here we go. But yeah, how are we doing, everybody? Much love, Shaz. Much love. So nice to have you guys. Other cryptos? Sure. Oh, link to the Discord. Yes, guys. Yes. I wish I knew how to get commands working on here. I would like to take commands. If any of my mods want to. What's going on, Bigums? How's it going? Guys, there's the Discord. Hop on in, folks. What up from Texas? How you doing, John? What's happening, guys? Join the Discord here, folks. Putting this, and I'm pinning the message, so you guys should be able to see this here. How we doing, everybody? So I can get into everything, folks. But first, if you guys are new, man, if you guys are new, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. It is so nice to have you all here. Honestly, it is awesome. I really appreciate it, guys. And you guys were so generous yesterday on the Super Chats. So generous. It was absolutely amazing, guys. I seriously cannot thank you enough for how generous you guys have been. It means the world to me, guys. It really does. So what would you guys like me to talk about first? SHIB price, like what I think the next, like, you know, SHIB is. I know that question has been kind of common here. You know, whatever the next SHIB is. You bet, Doc Harris, you bet. Absolutely, dog. Right on. I'm gonna let the background. I'm gonna take these off though. So yeah, you know, whatever I get into whatever you guys want. You know, I get into what you guys, you know, want me to get into. Whatever the next Shiba Inu is. Best altcoins. You know, current SHIB price. I can get into anything you guys would like for me to talk about. So you guys just let me know there in the chat. Hey, Soccer with the $1. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it, brother. I love you, man. I appreciate it, dog. So far, we got 66 people here. It says, anything we want to talk about, up to you guys, man. You guys tell me. What can I do for you? Saitama, sure. Okay. Jeff, I mean, yeah, we can talk about whatever you want, man. I'd assume it would be crypto-related because you're on a crypto stream. Soccer, I appreciate that, man. Thank you, brother. You have 100 million SHIB. Awesome. Polygon. Polygon, I know, is trying to scale Ethereum by reducing gas fees, from what I understand. Jeff wants to know what kind of toilet paper everyone's using. That I don't know. I don't know if that's something people want to discuss. Engine. I bought Engine a while ago. I don't really know much about Engine, to be honest with you. Robinhood will add SHIB in the near future. I would say it is extremely likely. Oh, NFTs you can earn, celebrating metaverse, yada yada. Okay, so Engine is kind of like, okay, you're safe. Mobile NFT wallet. That's pretty sick. I like this. Decentraland, man, I love Decentraland. Love it. Before we get to the MANA thing, guys, there is a channel I think you all would love. The name of the channel, guys, is called NFT Kings, folks. This is my second channel. You guys can see it here on screen. I talk a ton about MANA. I'm basically going to make this not either a MANA-only channel or like a channel that is very dedicated to MANA. And I did a sort of long recap on the truth about $10 MANA. So the link to this channel, guys, is in the chat. Sure, Cardano. Yes, sure. The link is in this chat here. So again, if you guys want to check out NFT Kings, my second channel, link there is in the chat. But anyways, folks, so Cardano I've heard is good, but I think Solana does them better. Do they not? You're a SHIB holder, it's not spreading FUD. I hope yeah, that circus fine needs to get fixed, Evan. It really does. It really does. Cardano I've heard is good. I've heard they had issues with their smart contracts. Does anybody know more about that? I've heard they had issues like deploying them. So MANA I absolutely love. Again, on Piccolo, I've not heard of that. Mononoke, I can look at that. SafeMoon, scammy. I don't like SafeMoon. I'm sorry. I just don't. But you guys can see here is the Decentraland, man. You know what? The graphics are ass. Yes. Like, graphics are terrible on here. But in the end, like, I think it's pretty cool. I think it's pretty cool because it is managing to capitalize on the NFT thing while also being, like, the video game thing. And, of course, it kind of ties into that Mark Zuckerberg thing with Facebook. So that graphics be fire. I mean, they're pretty bad, to be honest, but I like what it's trying to do. You know what I mean? Coin market is lying about the amount of SHIB. So yeah, if you guys haven't heard about Mononoke, I can look at Mononoke Inu. It looks like a shit coin. Surge. Maybe it's had a little stability. Not quite as bad of a shitcoin. I mean, these are all just gambles. You know what I mean? These are just gambles, to be honest with you. Buying MANA now, yeah, I would wait a few days for it to consolidate, for sure. $2 sold $3.50. That's okay, man. You still made some good money, John, right? You didn't lose any, right? Saitama, I've heard is good. I don't own any of it. I've heard it's good. I don't really know, to be honest with you. The volume is very low, but market cap's getting up there, so, you know. What's going on, F3? Welcome back. How you doing, F3 the works? How you doing? So the issue with the circulating supply is, you guys can see, obviously, CoinMarketCap here is listing. So I think they're lying. The devs are saying it's 370 or something like that. 370,000 billion, if I'm correct, right? Doge Lawn, I don't know, kind of a scam, you know, kind of one of those scammy ones. You told last night hey, good call. I got an MANA at around 60 cents. So I'm very happy with what MANA's done so far. More SHIB. Hey, appreciate it, F3. Appreciate that. Folks, make sure to join up on the Discord, guys. It is the pinned link in the chat. Click it up. Let me know once you guys have joined. Would love to, you know, have you guys there. Really do appreciate that. What does Stellar Lumens do? I don't know much about Stellar. ICP, I know they're working on Web 3.0. Which is awesome. Web 3.0 is going to be pretty big. So ICP and QNT, I think are the two. About Musk, I don't know anything about Musk coin. Are they doing this to sabotage Shiba Inu? Honestly, don't know. Possible either way. I don't put anything past anyone. If it gets lower, man, buy more SHIB. I would say soon we're entering a good like reaccumulation phase. Once it's like the 50s, I think that's a fine. MANA does have good potential. It really does. What's going on, Harley Dave? How you doing, guys? If you're new, you know, let me know you guys are here. I appreciate it. So nice to have you all here. Hey, Soccer. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Soccer. Gotta get commands working on the stream, man. But yeah, how's it going, Harley Dave? Make sure, guys, if you guys have not already, guys, check out the Twitter. Here it is, Matt Garbarino. Make sure to check out the Twitter. Definitely do go ahead over here, guys. Would love to have you all here. I talk about, you know, crypto on here and basically whatever I want. So, again, I would love to have you guys over here. Definitely go check it out, Matt Garbarino here, and I will put the link to the Twitter here in the chat. CoinMarketCap released FUD, like they released like what, like FUD-tastic articles. Are there articles I could look at here? Are these from CoinMarketCap, or are they promoting what to make of Doge vlogging? You're saying that these articles? Hey, I appreciate that from America to Japan. I appreciate that so much. That means a ton to me. That means so much. I immensely appreciate that. Just checking HODL news. Hey, you bet, you bet. Elon Musk, I don't think has any Shiba. I put $100 into MANA. How much more do you think it will go up? I think MANA's going to go down in the near future. In like the near future, next couple of days. It's already down a little bit, but when it comes down to it, I feel like this will, in 6 months will be worth more than it is today. So your $100 may turn to 80, but in 6 months could be worth 200. You know what I mean? That's my guess. Did these whales sell their SHIB? Nah, I don't think everyone dumped. I think it's just a natural kind of pullback. Basic attention token, I've heard about. What does basic attention token? DeFi accessible, digital advertising. Okay, so, oh, they run the Brave browser. Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. They run the Brave browser. That is cool. I like Brave. That is very cool. Yeah, I like basic attention. I don't own it, but looks good. Yes, looks definitely good. Kishu, I like. Definitely one of the less, shady, like alt, SHIB coins. So, Kishu definitely looks good. Again, we are down in the day, and that's to be expected. It's going to happen, as SHIB goes down. But these trade lines are nice. You'd invest now. Going for the support? Yeah. You put in 2K? Wow. Britannia, what did you put 2K into? But yeah, I really do like, how is VRA doing? I love VRA, one of my all-time favorite tokens. All-time favorite. Love VRA. Absolute shill for VRA. How is Woof doing? We were looking into some of the new SHIBs, you know what I mean? Pulsar, I've heard of that. I've heard that name a lot today. Not even showing up on here. Hey, for America Japan with the 2. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. How you doing, Means 5.0? Oh, you got 2K in Shiba? Wow, Britannia. Awesome. 44 billion Kishu. Dogecoin, lead choose, circulating supply. Yeah, Dogecoin, I mean, aren't they? Dogecoin is still being minted, though, right? America Japan, I appreciate the 2. Thank you very much. Brazil Shiba up to 1 cent, later $1. I hope so, Carlos, although 1 cent is going to be very difficult, almost impossible. I would aim a little bit lower. What is highly investable market? Article talking about the wallet that made $5 billion. Was it active again today? The wallet that made that much money is active? That is bonkers. What is this? Shiba Vax? I have no idea what the hell this is. It was active today, and it was just moving stuff around. That's weird. Honestly, that is weird. Guys, we're about at 250 people here, guys. Thank you so much, guys. I love y'all, man. About to hit 250 viewers. How high will SHIB get to when, Mr. Hat? In what time frame? Half a penny? A little bit more realistic. Still tough, but, I should get a pop filter. I really should, D-Troop. I have one. I'm just too lazy to put it on. I really need to put it on. Thank you guys so much. I really should. I think I might have it here. I don't know if I have it here. I definitely should. Hey, Ferris with the like and the sub. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. I appreciate that, Ferris. How you doing today, Ferris? Let's go, Soccer, baby. Soccer, I'm sure this is boring as shit for you, Soccer. I'm sorry. SHIB is down. It's a good time to buy. I would say, again, not financial advice, just my personal opinion. My personal opinion, you talk about that bust-ass chair, buy a lazy boy chair. This chair is pretty expensive, actually. It's not my favorite, but it's not a cheap chair, actually. It kind of feels like a cheap one, though. Who is getting ready to sell out Shiba? 300 people, guys. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, folks. Yo, what's going on, Exorcist? How's it going? What is happening, Exorcist? Is 500 million up? That sounds like a lot of SHIB. Hey, Soccer, man. I appreciate that so much. I appreciate that so much. Oh, the billionaire. You guys saw about that billionaire? Yeah, if you're holding long term, you know what I mean? But, again, I think, have you ever had a failed transaction? Yeah, I've had those. I have had those. on it. I've had some on Solana, Ethereum. Good morning from the Netherlands. How you doing, Morteza? How's it going? Guys, if you guys have dropped a like and subscribed to the channel, let me know in chat. Like, say liked, subbed. I appreciate it. Let me know so I can thank you guys who have dropped a like and subscribed on the stream. I appreciate that. Can I sell it now or hold it? Again, you could do what you want, man. That's really up to you. But, Sneaky Reviews of the sub. Thank you, man. I'm doing good, I'm doing great. Exorcist, what's your other account, Exorcist? Are you Price, Exorcist? Harley, +1 new sub. Thank you, Mr. Hat with the like. Thank you very much. Again, sell or hold. Again, it's really up to you guys. Hey, Fire Ants Blazing, thank you so much. Cardano seems decent. I've heard they had issues with their smart contracts. We had 350, baby. 350. Let's go. I will talk about what I think is going on with Shiba, guys, this second. I know that's been kind of the main question. But yeah, you're Exorcist. You're Captain Price, aren't you? Okay, good. I want to make sure. I want to make sure. Thank you. I'm sorry. I keep you. Once you guys change your names, I have a hard time like internalizing it. I appreciate that, Fire Ant Planes. It's very nice. Mana, guys, I do love Mana. Yeah, hopefully Robinhood lists it. Definitely. Taking profits always fine. Hey, you watched that Vince Daily. Thank you, Gene. I appreciate it. So happy to have you here. I've just started streaming. Like Ricardo, thank you so much with the like. I appreciate that. Investing $100 a month Bitcoins for the next 20 years better invested in the 401k. Yeah, I would agree, Albedo. I would agree. The wrong supply is probably messing with the confidence, Yazi. Yes, I definitely say that. Do I think Kishu will pass all-time high? Very possible in the future. I could see Kishu. You love and sub anything SHIB. Awesome, Josh. Let's do it, man. Accumulating Ethereum, he could need to cover the gas fees. That billionaire, I know you're talking about. I know. Curve DAO? I don't know much about Curve DAO. I'll have to take a look at that. What's going on, M2X? Woof, woof. I give him hope. Hey, glad to hear it. Yeah, you're right. It's just, I know your name on Twitter. I got you with the mod, by the way, of course. But I want to make sure I was reading the right name. Never heard of Bobo Coin. I've not heard of that. SHIB was your first investment? Nice, nice. Awesome. Getting started investing, guys, is always a great idea. If you guys have not, you're 71, like, you're 71 years old. SHIB or Sol, I love both. Love both for different reasons. Guys, if you guys have not already gotten started, guys, trading, definitely get started, guys, over on Webull, guys. Link here is in the chat, folks. If you guys want to get started, you guys can get started trading crypto. Hey, Josh with the sub. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, brother. Thank you so much. Definitely check it out, guys. To get started, link is in the chat, guys. You can buy stocks, crypto, including SHIB. All that good stuff over on Webull. Link is in the chat. But yeah, Josh, I appreciate that. When it's down, buy more, zoom out. Definitely trading sideways is good. Hold down, not bad idea. I recognize the potential of SHIB months ago. I saw a creative team looking to spend amounts of words and meme creation. I was inspired to multiply SHIB. That's good, Grumpy Dude. That's awesome. Ripcoin, I'm not heard of. SHIB has a network effect. Why it might lose? I'm not sure what you mean by network effect. I'm not like an expert on that. Kishu, I like. I think Kishu is slightly better than some of the other ones. You want to sell your father to buy SHIB? I love NFTs. Love NFTs. I love them. Would you sell SHIB? Why would you sell SHIB now? How much SHIB you guys have? 75 million. How much do you guys have, man? Crypto's going good, price going good, man. No complaints, but the video's been going great. Doge on Mars looks a little on Swash. I did not hear about Swash. I love NFTs, guys. I love NFTs, guys. SHIB NFTs, they do have them, actually. They do have those Shiboshis. I love those. But yeah, Junior Martinez, XPS, Jojo Too Smooth, 15 million gotten too late, manipulation bringing Robinhood cheap prices. Sean, not a bad theory. Not a bad theory at all, Sean. It is very possible to drop. I really would examine how this interacts with that 60 line. So when we look at things here, guys, what we are sort of looking for, and again, should I buy or sell? I cannot tell you. 400 friggin' viewers, baby. Make sure to follow me on Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino. Follow me on Twitter. Matt Garbarino, guys. Link is in the chat. Ricardo, you can use Solinar. A lot of other, like, I like Solana the best, especially for intro to NFTs, just because it is so much cheaper when it comes to the gas fees. So if you guys like NFTs, folks, check out NFT Kings, guys. Here is my channel, folks. Link is in the chat, baby. Check it out. I do not like SafeMoon. New to your channel, been holding. Hey, happy to have you here, Oscar. I appreciate it so much. I appreciate this. Was 440 viewers, baby. Can we break 1,000 tonight? You guys think it's possible? Discord, yes, Paul. It is pinned. It is the pinned link here, guys. The future of Shiba Inu, absolutely, guys. The future of SHIB. Soccer, I'm gonna make you mod. I don't know. Do you use Discord a lot, Soccer? I'm looking for some Discord mods, so whoever's active, I may make mod over there in the near future. Guys, I'm so happy to have you guys over here on the Discord. Soccer, I got you with the mod over there on Discord staff. There you go. But yeah, guys, sometimes live from A Joshua. I'm happy to have you here, man. But again, guys, NFT Kings, check it out, guys. Link is in chat. Check it out, folks. Link in chat. From the UK, how are you doing, Wilson? Do I hold Cardano? I do not have any Cardano. I exited Cardano to buy Solana. What's up? What's up, Tickle? I lost 1,000. Ah, I'm sorry to hear that. Again, guys, you got to do your own research. Kishu looks okay. Saitama looks okay. And I know they're kind of like the alt SHIB things. Gas fees are basically non-existent, holy speeds. Basically non-existent. Non-existent. Again, if it was me, if I was building the ideal portfolio, I talked about this yesterday. Some hobby items to dump 1K. Dare me to do it? It's up to you, man. Again, I don't give financial advice. So I take Colorado. I'm not sure what that is. Talking like this, you mean fast? Just I'm trying to read a lot of messages here. You're putting it in SHIB, your Webull? Awesome, Fire Ants. That is awesome. That is awesome. I feel like that would have more explosive growth. Oscar, thank you, Oscar. I appreciate it. Much love, my man. Oscar, you have a Discord or a Twitter or anything, buddy? Michael from Western Australia, happy to have you here, buddy. I'm really good on SHIB not selling now. I know it'll take 1-0. I definitely do think that'll happen at some point. Night Coder, are they going to fix that supply? I hope so. I really do. Do you guys want me to talk about what I think the ideal portfolio would look like and whether or not you should hold SHIB? Hey, Iron Maiden. Love Iron Maiden. The Ethiopian government with Shiba Inu, I have not heard anything about that. Hey, Smart Life with the $2. Thank you, man. Do I think CoinMarket has bias against SHIB? Really don't know, to be honest with you. It's possible. Put it this way. I do not put it past anyone in that case to manipulate. Do not know if they have. Will not make a statement on it. I do not know if they have. Australia, nice to have you here, Daniel. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, guys, Shiba Inu is not going to hit a cent or 10 cents. I'm sorry, it's not. Chainlink is awesome. Chainlink is awesome. Multi-chain, I love Chainlink. Love Ethereum. Best crypto ever, I think. Love Ethereum. Love Ethereum. Again, SHIB could easily go on a run, Arteri. Easily. It's just a matter of whether or not this is really a line of consolidation or we are watching a dip. So again, when you draw this out, SafeMoon, I've heard it's like Ponzi-ish. 500 free viewers, man! Let's go! Appreciate it, guys. AXist, of course, man. Thank you, man. Join that link with the pinned, guys. The ping Discord. I've heard SafeMoon's a little like scammy-ish, like where they take a very hefty royalty of sales. I do not. Shiba Inu could hit a cent in like 5 years. I think that is possible in like 5 years. It depends on whether or not crypto and Bitcoin are able to grow in the fashion I hope. Yeah, guys, drop a like on the video and subscribe. Leslie, happy to have you here, Leslie. But yeah, so when it comes down to it, guys, what we're looking at here, super excited on holding long-term growth. Enjoy the streams. Thank you, Justin. I appreciate it with the sub, man. Thank you so much, brother. That means a lot to me, man. So, guys, when we look at this here, what we're working with here, yeah, guys, hit that like button, baby. You bet. But yeah, again, first timer, happy to have you here, Edgar. $500 in the SHIB. I will talk to you guys about that. I have a very like a theory on why I don't like SafeMoons. I've heard bad things about it. I've heard, and they're kind of, I don't like their social media kind of presence that much. Amazon deal with SHIB, I have not heard about that. If Robinhood listed, it would definitely be a surge. Yes. Only buy what you can afford to lose, of course, but do your own research. But again, this kind of looks like a converging kind of like symmetrical wedge, but then it also could like kind of look like an ascending wedge. So this doesn't really fit set in stone. 2J, welcome back. You bet. 1 billion Shiba. I actually don't know how much that is in Ethereum, but you could check on a swap. We could check on a swap. Again, Robinhood would probably lead to a surge. Hey, why do you care? Love you, man. Love you, bro. Appreciate that, guys. Again, this looks like a... Guys, make sure you guys don't spam in the chat, by the way. Personal forecast, next steps, possible value. Absolutely. Absolutely. I will get to that. Absolutely, guys. I'll get to my forecast. But when it comes down to it, guys, with investing in anything, guys, I get a lot of questions on the channel like, should I put thoughts on the charts? Yes. I'm sorry. I keep getting distracted. Should I put $100 in the SHIB? What happens? If you have that little and you're just praying that you could turn like the $100 into $200, try to take that $100 instead of throwing it into crypto, put it into a business, put it into something that can make money. That is by far, in my opinion, the best thing you guys can do. Because, fuck you, ain't forgetting. Again, Miguel, I have 628 people here who are all asking me different questions. So, again, what should I do? Yada, yada. What should I do? Should I buy, sell? Again, not a financial advisor, but in my personal opinion, this kind of looks like a symmetrical wedge, which is bullish in a sense. So, what this really should be looking like, what this should look like best case scenarios, what this should look like is something like this, where you have a line down, and then you kind of have like a little bit of a bounce, and then something like this. This is what this should be looking like. And then you would draw, of course, your symmetrical kind of wedges, something like this, and it would kind of encompass the majority of it. See, unfortunately, with this, it's not hitting the tops that it should be hitting, and that's kind of a problem. So, 700 people, guys. Love you all, guys. Check out the Twitter, Matt Garbarino. Link is in chat, guys. Most viewers I've ever had. I love you guys. Thank you for changing my life. You guys mean the world to me. Anyways, so when it comes down to it, folks, what we're working with here is what, in my opinion, is a symmetrical wedge. Cheyenne, what's up, buddy? How you doing, bro? You bet, baby. What we're working with here is a symmetrical, kind of converging wedge here. So, this is good, but what it should look like really is more like this, where it's hitting the top and the bottom, the top, the bottom. It should be hitting the top and the bottom like more clockwork. You get what I'm saying? So this isn't like a really good representation. Again, when you zoom out, you could say, oh, this is going to trade horizontally. And you could draw, a very rough, like, horizontal thing and say, oh, it's just going to bounce from, the low 60s to the high 70s for weeks and do this. And that's very possible. That is a scenario that could happen. When we check the relative strength index, trading sideways is not fun, just hodl. It's not fun. It's a little nicer feeling than like a very volatile set of trading. I'm just glad it didn't enter the 50s, man. Like I said, I really theorized that 60 would be the line of support, and it looks as if we've been grinding this moment forever, man. You bet, baby. And hey, how you going, Shri Bharat Reddy from India? How you doing, Shri? How you doing, Nord TV? Only investors you can afford to lose. That's really the best advice I'm gonna give it. I'm not a financial advisor, but for people who are recommending that, we are missing Diablo. I know, right, man? I gotta let Snapchat know. So yeah, I predicted that this would be the bottom. 2 Clips, welcome back. Welcome back, bro. Hey, $20 from 2J. I appreciate it. 2J, you the friggin' best with the 20. I love you, bro. Happy Halloween, guys. 2J, yeah, David, it's been the opportunity of a lifetime. I will tell you guys, this has been, talking about Shiba Inu with you guys, has been the opportunity of a lifetime for me. This has been the greatest month of my entire life, and it is hard to believe. This 1 month with Shiba Inu has been better for me financially than anything I've ever done in my entire lifetime. So, bless you guys. I love you all. What's up, Godspeed? D-White, happy Halloween from Australia. How you guys all doing, man? So, some people were asking, I'm going to get into the support here in a second, but some people were asking what I think the ideal portfolio looks like. Look, again, if you follow the idea, YouTube is a good side hustle. You bet. I love it, man. I do love it. It's fun, Paul. I appreciate it, man. End of the year? Sure, I can do that for you. So the ideal portfolio. Hey, Nigeria. Kingsley, happy to have you here, man. Welcome, bro. Welcome. You're a good dude, Ken. I appreciate you being here, man. So the ideal portfolio to me looks like something like this. You want to have a good spread. So I think 30% Ethereum is a good spread, or like 20% Ethereum, 10% Binance, 20% Solana. Now we're at 50. Then take 20%, split it up between SHIB and Doge. So now we're at 70. Then I would take the remaining 30% and split it up between like Polkadot, ICP because Web 3.0, and like Decentraland, like MANA. I definitely do like some of the swaps, like pancakeswap, uniswap. Can't go wrong with that. And I also love VRA, one of my personal favorites. So that to me is what I think an ideal portfolio would look like. Because with any portfolio, you want to have a spread. You want to have a nice even spread. Hey, I'm a drunk guy. I appreciate it, man. It's happy to have you here, man. You bought SHIB, Rose. Awesome stuff. Again, I hope it, hope it goes well for you. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot give financial advice, but hey, Evan, 1,000 viewers. Let's go for it, baby. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate that, guys. Make sure to follow the Twitter if you guys are not already, guys. Matt Garbarino, guys. Drop it a follow, folks. Matt Garbarino over on Twitter. Looks like a bottom support, not top resistance, just a short-term breakdown. The long-term future looks great. Atomic Health, I think you might hit the nail on the head, man. I think you might hit the nail on the head. So when we look at this, guys, obviously, you should follow my Twitter. But when you take a look at this, guys, I predicted, and maybe you could agree with me, Atomic Elf, I predicted that the bottom was somewhere around like the high 50s, low 60s. Sure, hey, Price, what do you think, man? Why is it going down? Probably because it's just kind of facing a natural kind of pullback. You know, again, you have multiple scenarios. You have obviously the idea that this is a symmetrical wedge, which is inherently bullish, but then you run into the issue. Of the fact that it's not really hitting the top like it should be. So that is an issue with the symmetrical kind of triangle. I love Mana. Mana is awesome, man. Gotta love Mana. So that's an issue with the symmetrical. From Cambodia, how you doing, Fana? What's going on? Welcome. J-Bell, 500 mil. So you do have these issues. Derek, how you doing, Derek Tech? What's going on, man? Cheyenne, I need to get that command going. Too late to invest in Shiba. I would wait a little bit if it was me. I would wait a little bit. Do your own research, not a financial advisor, but I don't think now is a particularly great time to buy. That's me. My personal opinion. Crispin, how's it going? Hey, happy to have you here. Appreciate that. Yeah, normal pullback. But when it comes down to it, guys, this really could be a line of consolidation if, you know, this starts to hit against the top again. Too late to invest in Mana. I feel like it's going to head down in the next week, but I still do love... You follow me on Twitter, Josh. Thank you, my man. I appreciate that, bro. Whoever wants me to drop a follow back, I will do that. I got you, Aria. Evan, thank you for the tweet, man. I appreciate that. I am a drunk guy. Got you, man. Everybody, guys, tweet at me. I will be happy to drop you all a follow, guys. Just tweet at me. Let me know. And, yeah. Just tweet at me, and I will be happy to drop you guys a follow back on Twitter. About at 800 friggin' viewers, man. 800. Twitter right here in the chat, baby. Matt Garbarino. Drop it a follow, folks. Would love to have you guys over there. For the people who are joining... Engine, heard good things about it. Apparently they're working on wallets and NFTs. New sub, Black Trader, so happy to have you here. Cameron, keep the content coming. Thank you, brother. So happy to have you here. God, I love Bitcoin, man. Store value, financial freedom. How do you not love Bitcoin, man? There's the Twitter, guys. Link is in chat. The Discord is also pinned. I like Engine. I've heard good things about it. Take care from America to Japan. Take care. MJ Gons, how you doing? How's it going, guys? So happy to have you all here. We about hit 800, baby. We're getting there. So again... Yo, what's going on? Chihuli, you're holding $5. Hey, that's okay, Golden Baby. That's okay. Thoughts on Mana? I love it. I adore Mana. Bought it at 60 cents. I know, Cheyenne. I know, man, right? It's hard for me to believe. Make sure, guys, drop a like on the video. Hello from Bangalore, India. How you doing? Vibhas, how's it going? Thoughts on Hex? I don't have many thoughts on Hex. I don't know much about that. Shiba burn, obviously, every time people use SHIBASWAP, there is a burn. So every time people go on SHIBASWAP, there is a little bit getting burned, which is good. But CoinMarketCap apparently is not reporting that particularly accurately. So, yeah. But yeah, guys, drop a like. Not a downworld, just on the natural high of having 700 people here, man. It feels amazing, downward. Thoughts on Cardano? I do not have Cardano. Hey, Jalen with the follow. Thank you. I really appreciate that. You sold at 77. Good. Followed and subscribed. Thank you. I appreciate that so much. Can I explain consolidation? Sure. I have $100 to spare. Split on Saitama, SafeMoon, Inu. I would do some... So if I had like $100... How you doing, Gilbert? What's going on? If I had $100 right this minute, if I had $100... Hey, Docker. You bet. If I had $100, I would probably... Do I think we're going to see another pump? I will answer that in a second for sure, guys. Thank you, David. Much love from Australia, man. I appreciate that. Engine, hard to tell, man. I haven't been, like, tracking it. I could look at it for you, but I think the other 750 people here want to see more SHIB. But I can look into Engine for sure. If I had $100, I would try to find the next SHIB. Samo has been kind of, like, popular with that. I think Samo is building Smart Life with the 5. Robinhood listing is common sense. Absolutely. That would be awesome. Smart Life with the 5. I appreciate you, my dude. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that so much, man. So, Samo looks to be good. Woof, I do like an awful lot. I put a lot more than I feel comfortable with into Woof. I've heard good things about Kishu. I think if you had a small amount, like $100, these lower cap ones are probably going to be a better idea. Gas fees are high. Are they high? Love the channel. Thank you, Lanchester. I appreciate that, man. Guys, make sure to drop a like. Drop a like on the video. If you dropped a like, tell me in the chat. Let me know. Just say, like, liked. We about at 800 viewers again, bro. Let's friggin' get it. Market cap is corrected. What was the issue here with Kishu? Was there an issue with that? Hey, Super Philly with the 5. Dogelon Mars. Again, Dogelon Mars kind of looks like one of those, like, extremely, like, sort of liked. Thank you, guys. Much love, y'all. You bought at 0.00003. Wow, DRZ for 4,000. Good job, man. Great job, man. Great investment. Tajagna liked and subscribed. Thank you. Those small cap coins actually from Radium. So the reason why I like those small cap coins, what is the next Shiba? I can get into that. Well, so what do you guys want right now? I can either do what I think the next like Shiba is, or we could do direct SHIB analysis. What would you guys prefer? Would you guys prefer to talk about the chart for SHIB? Would you guys prefer to do this chart? Johnny Garcia with the like. Thank you, bro. Appreciate that, man. Would you guys rather talk about this chart? Or would you rather me talk about what I think the next Shiba is? Doge on Mars, again, it's like a gamble. You know what I mean? I hope it works out good for people. But, you know, it is, you know, tough. Josh with the sub. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it. Am I on meth? No, I am not on meth. I am just extremely elated knowing there are 800 people watching me and the fact that this channel has literally changed my life. You know what, guys? Screw it. We will do both. So the next SHIB, I think Solana is the secret for that because Solana has extremely low fees. And think about it this way. SHIB has a very big, like, sort of meme community, right? Shiba Inu has an extremely big, like, kind of meme community behind it. Cheyenne, thank you, man. Hey, Rainia, I appreciate that. Make sure, guys, to drop a follow over on the Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino over on Twitter. Drop a follow, guys. High on life, Greg, you bet. Passion Minecraft, I am Lanchester. You can bet that. Hadera Hashgraph, I've heard wonderful things about. Wonderful things about that. I wish I got that a long time ago. And also, guys, join the Discord. The link is pinned, guys. The link is pinned. So the link is pinned here on the chat. Definitely go check that out. The Discord is here too, guys. Join up, folks. Join up. High on life, baby. You bet, man. Anyways, folks, so what is the next Shiba Inu? We're about to hit 900 freaking viewers. Am I Nathan? Hey, man, I appreciate that. Caleb, great show. And I'll tell you why I love SHIB. Shiba Inu really, dude, is just inherently, it is freedom, it is populist, it is people just saying, you know what, screw it, we're going to take a friggin' meme and just make it worth money. I think that's awesome. I think that it's much better than relying on, like, the Fed. I think that is awesome. Censorship police or something? I'm not sure what you're talking about, Bear. I'm sorry. I've heard good things about H-Bar. So, Shiba Inu obviously has this, like, awesome, like, meme community. It is exciting news, Crispin. It is. Can't stay on topic. I'm sorry. Yes, I'm trying to read chat. I don't want to ignore you guys. I'm sorry. I don't want to ignore people, man. You dropped a like at 200. Thank you. So SHIB obviously has this meme community, and this is the same community that loves, like, Solana art. Or at least it gives me the same vibe. Like NFTs, like, you know, shit like this. And I think Solana really is the future. I love Solana because Solana is much more scalable than Ethereum. It's faster. It is faster. It is way less fees than Ethereum, okay? So that's Solana art. So I think that NFTs like this on Solana will have the same appeal that Shiba Inu people have. Yeah, at 3 a.m. I'm a lot more chill. It's still midnight, so I still got some life in me. So I think that this community could easily gravitate towards Solana, and Solana is so much easier to enter. Read one good comment and go in depth. Okay. Cardano, I'm not in it. I've heard good things about it, but I've heard they had issues with their smart contracts as well. So I think the SHIB people could have a lot of interest in NFTs, in Solana, etc., etc., etc. So that's why I think when looking for the next SHIB, any of these Solana-backed tokens that are also like dog coins. Metaverse, that looks like Mana gave Mana the run. It gave Decentraland the run today, which I adore. I love Decentraland. So Samo, again, Samo kind of looks like an example of like another SHIB. Because what it looks like for me is that Samo, again, is really cheap, low market cap. You could buy it using Radium, which is easy. And what I think about Robinhood listing SHIB, I think will happen. So, yeah, I like Samo. I like Samo a lot. I think that is a good example. As you see, Cheyenne. So I think Samo's a good one. Woof, I like because it is even lower. No market cap is even mentioned here. And it's been holding for the past few days. Nathan, I appreciate you, man. Robinhood would be a huge pump. Yes, Robinhood would be a huge pump for SHIB. Absolutely. So I like Wolf as well. Swash. What is Swash? What happened with Swash? One of my thoughts on Swash? The volume is so low. It's really hard to tell, man. It looks just like a volatile kind of buying phase. Hacks out for Brazilian game. I'm not sure. Yo, what's going on, Jordan? How's it going? Stream is going wonderful. Better than ever. Most viewers I've ever had. Hold, SHIB, and Mana or sell. I took profits from Mana. A little bit of profits from Mana. But I do believe in it long term. Just a little bit of profits from Mana. It went to 21,000. That's crazy. I've heard Evergrow. Evergrow. By the way, if you guys want me to check something, tell me in chat. Tell me in chat. I will be happy to look. Evergrow, 33%. God, I don't know, man. All the way up, all the way down. Looks like a rug. Looks like a rug, man. Looks like a rug. Oh, that's something's wrong with this, man. Something's seriously wrong with that. Epic Chicken, $5. Much love, my dog. I appreciate that so much, guys, with the 5. Everyone, shout out to Epic Chicken, man. Shout out to Epic Chicken. Shout out to Epic Chicken, man. What a G. Guys, join the Discord, folks. The link is in the chat. Join up. $800 on SHIB. 4K on Robinhood, swing trading it. So I had a Webull account. Webull, if you do get a Webull, guys, Webull link's in the description. I do like Webull because, again, you can trade stocks, so it is a great all-in-one. So if you guys want to get started trading Webull, check it out. Coming in, hey, Jordan, thank you. I appreciate that so much, guys. Guys, if you want to get started trading crypto and stocks and all that stuff, PJ Solar with the $1. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I bought Shiba at 0.000005 right before, like, the whole SNL thing in May. Webull, guys, link is in the chat. If you want to sign up, guys, you guys can use my link, and of course, we can get some free, you guys get some free stocks over there. It is super easy to do, and I have seen people get lucky getting, like, shares of Apple and Tesla. It's hard, but it is possible. Solana is on Coinbase. You can buy Solana just about everywhere, but the reason why I love Solana is it is so freaking easy. You can go here, you can just pick an NFT you like and buy it. That's why I love Solana, because it is just so easy. The fees are good. It's fast. Ethereum Classic, I heard... Isn't that proof of stake? Or no, that's proof of work. So then once the real Ethereum becomes proof of stake, how's that gonna work? I don't know much about that. Bitrise. H-bar, heard great things about that. Bitrise. Oh God, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's hard to tell. I don't know what Bitrise really is. Am I shouting? A little bit. Just kind of happy. Mutas. I appreciate if you didn't use that word, by the way. Johnny Garcia, thank you for the sub, my man. Appreciate that. Engineering, blockchain solutions. What are they actually offering? So something with Binance. I would need to know a little bit more about this. Hyper-deflationary. If it's deflationary, it's always good. If it is deflationary, that is always good. XRP headed for settlement. I've heard XRP is good. The only issue I've heard is that it is a little centralized. Love my vids. Thank you so much, Arteria. I appreciate that. I really do appreciate that. Again, Saitama, I've heard good things about. Can we hit 1,000 viewers? Let's hit a friggin' 1,000, baby. Can we get 1,000 chain in chat? Let's get 1,000 chain in chat. Come on, let's build up the love, man. 1,000 chain in chat. That would be the time. I never had 1,000 viewers during my time on the planet, so that would be amazing. Dan Capt, how are you, buddy? We'll hit 1K. We'll hit it. The Shiba chart. Let's look at that in a minute, man. Let us look at that. Stocks. A few years. I've been in stocks for a little bit. PPP. Don't know much about that. PPP. John God's Warrior. Thank you so much. How you doing, Nathaniel? What's going on? This looks like a rug. Wait. Is it? Hold on. Let me see. Cheap high. Volume. $700. Yeah, no. No. Big Hefe, how you doing? No, you're awesome, Big Hefe. What's going on, Yvonne Bonilla? How you doing? You have given me theory on SHIB support. It helped. I bought more on 0.62. Awesome. Hope that works out well, man. Hey, with the 5. Thoughts on Boss Token. Lex Mode with the 5. Thank you so much. Thoughts on Boss Token. Thoughts on Boss Token. Sure, I will take a look at that for you. Thoughts on Boss. Again, so low volume. I just don't know, man. I would need to know more about this. This is on Binance. This is on BNB. Shine, I'm so excited, man. We'll get that 1K. Lenny, I appreciate you being here. This is on BNB, so decentralized. I really don't know much about this, to be honest with you. I do like, again, I like Samo, Boss Token, new Shiba in town. Got potential, it's a BNB. Yeah, this looks okay. I don't own it, but looks okay. Saitama, I've heard good. Hey, Chris, I appreciate it. November. We hoping for November. Kishu, I like Kishu. Kishu is an alternative. Hey, with the Baby Lob, with the 1498. Thank you so much. What currency is that, Baby Lob? Where are you from? I appreciate that so much. Kishu looks good. Again, down day, but it is kind of like one of the slightly more notable alternatives to SHIB. Mana, I goddamn love Mana. I love Mana. One of my all-time favorites. One of my first crypto investments ever. Bought it at 0.6. Cannot love Mana enough. 950, baby, 950, guys. Drop a follow on the Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino, guys. Link is in the chat, guys. Check it out, Matt Garbarino. What is going on with SHIB? Sure. Chart of my viewership. I'm bullish. Thank you, Joshua. I appreciate that, guys. Singapore dollar. Gotcha. Chances of SHIB crashing? Sure, sure. There's the Twitter, guys. Drop it a follow. Matt Garbarino, guys. Drop the Twitter a follow. Also, guys, if we all could get in the Discord, join up, guys. Link is in the chat. Let's go for that 1,000, baby. You hit the like. Thank you so much, man. Mana too late to buy? I would wait and see what happens. I would wait and see what happens, guys. I would definitely wait and see what happens. Guys, join up on the Discord, folks. Would love to have you all here, guys. Join up. Link is in chat. Link is in chat. Mana is a pump and dump? Nah. I emphatically don't think Mana is a pump and dump. I love Mana. They built something awesome. I love Mana. Here's the Discord, guys. Join up. YT went wonky. Fast breakdown. We'll see a low around 45. Possible. There it is. There is the Discord, guys. Join up. But yeah, guys. So, Soldier Doge for SHIB. Okay, okay. Ethereum Classic. Not much thoughts on that. Hey, Baby Law again with the 29. Thank you. Will SHIB go out again? Will it do well again? I could definitely give you guys my thoughts on that. I will get to that in a second for sure. Uniswap, it's an exchange, you know. I don't know if it's the next Shiba Inu, but gotta love Mana, man. Discord link is in chat, folks. Discord link is in chat. Make sure to join up. Mana could hit $20. Very possible. Very, very possible for Mana to hit $20. By the way, guys, we are getting all of the follows here on Twitter. I appreciate it. Following you guys back. Everybody who tweets at me here, thank you guys so damn much. I love you all. Who's your nerd? Birdman. Awesome to have you guys here, man. I appreciate that so much. Assemble protocol. I can look at that. My peak and my shoes. What you have 2,500 in SHIB after the peak. So what did you buy at the top? You bought at the all-time top. Here is the Twitter, guys. Could Mana hit $5? Absolutely. I don't know when, but I believe in it long term. And here's why I believe in Mana long term. I believe in Mana long term because I love Solana. Love it, man. Love it. I would wait like a day or two on Mana just to see what it does. But, hey, Miss Experience made over 4,000. Hey, I appreciate you paying it forward. Thank you so much, Miss Experience. And congratulations. That's wonderful. Guys, we're 6 viewers away from 1,000. 6 away from 1,000. Can we hit 1,000? We're so friggin' close. Not drugs do the human, called high on life, bro. High on existing, dude. 1,000 people here is literally insane. I've never had 1,000 people on a stream in my life, ever. Engine I like. I like Engine a lot. I like Engine a lot, man. What's up, Find Myself Dreaming? How you doing? High on life, man. High on life, dude. I love Decentraland, though, man. Seriously, I love it. I love it. I love it. Again, I think they created something really, really cool. I'm rooting for it. Your energies, thank you, Pascal. I'll see you later. Thank you for being here. Robinhood listing would cause an immediate surge and immediate tank, I think. Love your vibe. Thank you, Ricardo. Again, I lost a lot of Mana. Should I stick ball and stick around? Please help me. Again, I can't. Hey, Vera TV. Appreciate that. Let's go, Brandon Lewis. You bet. Let's go, Brandon. Shibzilla, I can look at that. You lit, bro. Thank you, Losho. Appreciate that. You have to go work. I appreciate that. Again, Mana, I think, in a year from now will be worth more than it is today. That's me. But if you got it like the very, 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 very top, Matt Kors, I've heard he's a great, Matt Kors is a great YouTuber. Love my energy. Thank you. Yeah. Exorcist for sure, man. I've been very excited tonight. What's going on, Malawi? Hey, Baby Law with this 698. Hope SHIB go up. Awesome. Thank you for the donation. I appreciate that. If SHIB hits a penny, how much would 50 million shares make you? Well, if it hits a penny, that would be $500,000. I guess $500,000. I guess, but again, very unlikely to hit a penny. So very unlikely. I would set the expectations reasonable. Let's go, Brandon. Should we wait for Robinhood listing or get it now with Webull? That's up to you. I mean, there are people who do like to dollar cost average in and try to, you know what I mean, try to get in like that. But if you guys want to get started over on Webull, guys, link is in the chat. If you guys use my link over on Webull, guys, if you guys use my link, you guys can get started here. And essentially, if you guys use my link, you guys get 2 free stocks valued up $2,300. And if you guys have used my link, just let me know because I want to, let you guys know I appreciate you. I want to thank you personally. If you guys, let me know. Has anybody here used my link for Webull? Let me know. The link is in the chat. Let me know if any of you guys have used it for Webull. 0.003, that would be awesome. That would be absolutely awesome. Solana or Soma is the next Shiba Inu. So, again, let's do this again. Would you guys rather me talk about what I think the next SHIB is, or do you guys want me to analyze SHIB? What do you guys want? In 10 years, I mean, anything's possible in 10 years, man. Auction? No, let me see auction. Bounce. Auction. Market cap, really low. Been around a while. I mean, might be okay. I don't really know what they do. What do they do? Decentralized auctions. So you auction stuff, assets. I mean, looks possible. Yeah, looks potential. I mean, again, I don't really know. I haven't done deep research into this. Next SHIB, analyze SHIB analysis. Okay, analyze SHIB it is, and then I will do the next SHIB. Sure. Baby Doge. Again, Baby Doge. I've heard is one of those good. Let's go, Brandon NFT. Baby Doge again. Looks good for the long term in the sense that it has a decent market cap already. People kind of hold on to it. You know what I mean? Arcona, volume very low. I have no thoughts, man. Just so hard to tell with something like that, man. So when it comes to analyzing SHIB, I will analyze Solana as well a little bit after. Stay on track. I got you. That annoys people when I'm not on track. I'm sorry. Guys, try not to spam too much, guys. Like, try to just, from time to time spam your message. Not too much. I mean, like, what you want me to analyze. Or hell. And we should be good to go. Nice. I gotta turn on the fan, man. You know what it is? I'll tell you what's happening. What's happening here? We're back. Refresh, guys. Refresh, everybody. Got kidnapped. Too much energy. Okay, everybody, the webcam is out. 1 second. I'm just fixing it, guys. 1 minute, bro. I gotta go turn my air conditioner down, bro. 1 second. So I will tell you guys why the webcam has actually gone out and we are back. I will tell you guys. So, okay, good. Fixed. We are fixed, baby. We are fixed. Fixing the camera as well, baby. All right, we are fixed, guys. We are fixed. We should be fixed. Is it good now? Good? Okay. So what happened in here is I've been sweating so badly. At the excitement and energy in this chat. Brandon's fault. Hey, I've been sweating so badly at the energy in the chat that it is actually... You like the music? Awesome. I've been... Wait. Did it go out again? No, it's here. Refresh, y'all. It's here. Fixed, baby. It's fixed. So I've been sweating so bad that that it actually wait, is the mic being weird? Wait, is the mic... No, it's fixed. It's fixed, baby. It's fixed. Refresh, guys. Sound is fixed, guys. Refresh, everybody. It's all fixed. But yeah, so I've been sweating so badly talking to you guys and like being like hype in here that it's actually caused my room to like get hot and my camera overheated. 980 people here, man. I appreciate you all so much, man. So much, bro. We're about to hit 1,000. We're about to officially hit 1,000. I've never hit 1,000 viewers in my life, bro. Never hit 1,000 in my life. Talk about the next SHIB. All right, Just James made the suggestion and he followed me over on Twitter. Let's go, Brandon, maybe. So there is the Twitter in the chat, everybody. Okay, guys. So next Shiba Inu again. I think psychologically we think about what the SHIB community or the people who buy Doge and SHIB would be interested in. Terry, thank you. Is SHIB dead? No, not at all. Oh my God, we're 5 viewers away. Sorry, if we had 1,000, bro, it's going to be like 998. We're at 998. 1,000! Let's freaking go! 1,000, that is insane. 1,000 people, holy shit. Oh my God. If you guys are here for SHIB and stuff, I'm sorry. I will talk about SHIB in literally 30 seconds, but I'm just taking a second to enjoy for the only time in my life I've ever in my life had 1,000 people sitting here in one place watching me. That is bonkers. That is bonkers, dude. This has been my life's dream. Literally my life's dream. And to have you guys all here is the greatest feeling in the world. In the world, dude. In the world. I love you guys dearly. 2 Eclipse, thank you so much for the 10. I love you, bro. I appreciate it. You guys have literally changed my life. Changed my life in more ways than you guys could possibly imagine. So if I'm just like a YouTuber to you, that is fine. But you guys are a lot more to me. I am so honored to have 1,000 of you guys sitting here watching. That is incomprehensible. I've been streaming for years, video games over on Twitch, and never in my life did I think I'd have 1,000 people. So I love you guys. I won't bore you anymore. Okay, won't bore you anymore. Back to it. So what we're working with here, guys, is essentially the possibility of a symmetrical wedge. Black Tornado, thank you, man. Zachary, much love, dog. Why are my pupils so high? That I don't know. I do not know if there's anything wrong with my pupils. Twitch is tough, man. So anyways, guys, here we go, man. Reggie, thank you, bro. Thank you, man. Is the music off? Music should be on still. Is it on? So here we go, guys. So essentially, we're watching a symmetrical kind of wedge here, but the issue with this is that, again, it's not hitting the top and the bottom in the same way it really should be. Music volume's low. I turned up. What's going on, Mark? How you doing, Mark? Welcome, man. All right, music is up a little bit. Hopefully that helps. Music should be better. How you doing, Mark? More? What's going on? Happy Halloween, grumpy dude. So, guys, again, 100K subs. We're going for it, baby. So you guys can see, man. MJ Goons, thank you. Much love. So, again, we're bouncing off the top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. And, again, this isn't particularly what this should be doing. Again, what it really should be doing is, again, hitting the top, bottom, hitting the top, hitting the bottom strong. It's not hitting these indicators strong, which is kind of a problem. So what we wanted to see really is when we have a symmetrical set of wedges, we wanted to see some kind of, hey, with the $5, thank you, C3, much love. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. So guys, top, bottom, top, bottom. This is what it should look like for a bullish pattern. 1.1K Cheyenne. So Piccolo, dude, everybody's asking about Piccolo. I'm gonna take a break to look at Piccolo. All y'all, it ain't even listed, man. I'm gonna give it a no on Piccolo, man. Ain't even listed, bro. So this was what it would be if it was bullish. Drunk guy with the 5, thank you, brother. Appreciate it so much, man. That's what it should look like in that instance. So that is kind of a problem. When we look at the relative strength index here, you guys can see that it is essentially peace out. I'll see you, Brian. Have a good one, man. Have a great one, bro. It is essentially saying that, yes, this could be bought. That is what the relative strength index is saying here, that, yes, you could, buy this. But, the problem is this is still really volatile. So, again, the relative strength index is saying, yes, it has all this headroom. It has all the room in the world. So, in theory, it could bounce back to 7.3, 7.4 without being, crazy and exceptional. You know what I mean? It can do that without being, crazy and exceptional, and you know what I mean? So that is possible. There's no reason why it really can't just kind of set these little bounces here. There's no reason why it shouldn't be able to do this. But, again, it is volatile because of how much insane volume we've had in the past few days. It's like to invest, that's up to you. That's your decision. Hey, Tina Corn, you could buy Shiba Inu over on Webull if you guys use my link here in chat and sign up. You guys will get 2 free stocks. So you guys can get 2 free stocks here if you guys sign up for Webull using my link. It is super easy to do. Link is in the chat, folks. Definitely go ahead and sign up with Webull. But the relative strength index, again, is Kevin with the 5. Much love, Kevin. I appreciate that, man. I'll check that link. You check ASM, sure. ASM. Assemble protocol, a lot of volume. Market cap is still kind of small. What do they do? 1.2K, I know soccer. What do they do? Assemble protocol, your points Points on a single asset. Looks like it's from Asia or something. Point integration. I don't know if anyone's really using this. I don't know much about points. I give it a meh from like a first look. Explain NFTs? Sure, you're going to use that link. Awesome. Much love, everybody. Webull link is in the chat, baby. Webull link is in the chat. Robinhood does not like Shiba? I don't know about that, but I definitely think they will link it at some point. So again, relative strength index saying yes, it has a little bit of room here. When we check the MACD, which you guys can see. What's up, Orlando? Here's the MACD. The MACD is kind of giving it like a lighter kind of sell. You see what I mean? Like the MACD is giving it a lighter kind of sell, which, you know, is better in a sense. Like, it means it could potentially turn up, but that's not always particularly accurate. But again, it is kind of a nice indicator as to what's possible. 1.1K, baby. Guys, if you're new, drop a like, subscribe. Make sure, folks, to check out Matt Garbarino here over on Twitter, guys. Check out Matt Garbarino. Hey, Baby Lob with the 148. Oh, my goodness. I appreciate that so much. Thank you. Thank you very, very much, Baby Lob. I'm just curious. 148 SGD in USD. That is, oh, my God. That's $100 US? Is that right? Is that $100 US? Jesus. Baby Law, thank you so much. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my God. That is amazing. Orlando, thank you, bro. Too many interruptions. We will never hear the full story on Shiba at this point. Guys, I've been live for an hour, guys. I do not want to sit here and just lecture about SHIB. I do want to respond to people, you know, and engage with people. Randall, much love, man. I appreciate the $100, Baby Law. Seriously, thank you. Shiba Inu SHIB, what's up? Can I check Doge Lawn? Sure. Sure. Doge Lawn, again, kind of like a gamble. You know, really like a gamble in a sense. Yeah, Argel, lots of people. AMC does like it. I've heard AMC likes it. Cozy! What's up, Matt Cozy? What's up, Matt Cozy? How you doing, son? Matt Cozy, instant mod, A Price. Much love, Captain Price. So, the next SHIB, sure, I can talk about that. Dogecoin looks kind of like a gamble, to be honest with you, man. Shibzilla, you've been asking for that for a while. Shibzilla, not even on here, so I really have no thoughts. Theta, heard good things about it. I don't really know what Theta does. I've heard awesome things about it. What is Theta token? Mana, I love. So, video entertainment. Oh, so Theta kind of works with, it's sort of like a VRA. Yeah, so what they remind me of like a VRA, which I love, which I'm deep into. I adore VRA. FRT coin, is that an actual thing? No, it's not a thing. Huh. I love Mana. Love Mana, man. Love Mana, man. Joe Lowe, welcome, man. How you doing, buddy? Thoughts on Brandon token? Mana. I love Mana, man. People been asking about Mana, dude. Mana is amazing. I love it. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon, baby. Let's go, Brandon. How's Solana? Solana is awesome. I adore Solana. I love it. Love it. Love Solana, man. Why does Coinbase restrict the amount you have available to buy Shiba and Sleep? I don't know. Coinbase does set limits sometimes. Mana or ENJ? Mana, my limits, I have more in Mana. But again, ENJ seems to work together. So yeah, I love Mana, man. What they did is amazing. More about SHIB? Sure. So again, same thing. When we look at this, again, when it comes down to it, we are trying to figure out where the bottom is. Too late to buy Mana? Nah, I don't think so. I would be patient, though. How do you get the free stock? You used my link. Were you able to use my link, Mike? I think what you have to do is you have to go, Mike, on Webull, and I think you have to like make your initial like deposit from your bank or whatnot, and then it should give you the free stock from there. But it is weird that it says none to be claimed. I might have to get a new link. I don't know why it's being weird like that. I need to get my my link here. Yeah, I don't know why Webull is being so weird. I don't know why Webull is being weird, to be honest with you. But I think you should, but Webull should give you your free stock when you, I think, and make your initial deposit. But it's not showing you guys have signed up with my link, which is weird. I know you guys have, but yeah, it's weird. So again, we want to look for that bottom, and I predicted that the bottom would be somewhere around, SHIB will never reach $1. That is correct. I predicted that the bottom would be somewhere around, like really 60. you know, we have a couple outliers, but I really felt like 60 would be the bottom, and that has been, my prediction has been surprisingly accurate, because it looks as if here that it is almost every time bouncing here. Chasing the new Shiba about to get burnt. I mean, it is risky, but I do think it is, you know, worth being risky sometimes. So yeah, again, it could bounce off of this every time. That is possible. My comment in the section, please. Sure. Hey, thank you for the $2, Thin Air. I appreciate that so much. Thin Air, what was your comment, Thin Air? Just these are a lot of comments. Arker, what's up, son? But when it comes down to it, 1K viewers, Joe, I know, man. Trying to find the next SHIB is risky because you could easily get burnt on those. Jump in, sign my petition for Bergen, accept Shiba Inu. I don't sign petitions personally, so I don't know enough about like information about them. But I wish you good luck on that, man. Realistic 2021 price prediction. So realistic 2021 price prediction on SHIB when it comes down to it. What I think about safemoon, I don't like it. Seems like scammy-ish. I could see like a 0.002. Yeah, I agree with you on that chance. Yeah, that's very possible. Very, very possible. 355,000 SHIB. 60. Again, it's up to you guys. You know, obviously I'm not a financial advisor. You guys have to do your own research. But when buying things, I like to dollar cost average down. So when I'm looking at a chart like this for SHIB, I'm always trying to find these bottoms. I'm trying to find these. This is what I'm trying to find in every circumstance. Same thing with MANA. SHIB being a pump and dump, I think it's already beyond that point. I don't think it is. Could it crash? I mean, anything can happen, but I don't think it's a pump and dump. Definitely not. So MANA, again, what I try to look for is I try to look for these. I try to look for here. I try to look for here. Like any kind of dip, I try to look for this. You know what I mean? This area, I'll try to look for this area. I try to look for this area. Any kind of dip, I try to look for like that. So that's the best way to dollar cost average in. Because ideally, you're never going to be able to buy SHIB at the absolute bottom and sell at the absolute top. So what I was doing earlier today, if you guys want an example of that, the beard went bye-bye, Cozy. I don't know, I felt like an old person with a beard. MANA's at the all-time high. I mean, yeah, it's pretty high, but it did get some good news today with the Facebook thing here. MANA got a lot of great news. So Solana, I love. I absolutely love Sol. I could see Sol doing some awesome, great things. I really could see Sol doing some amazing, great things, guys. I really, really could. I definitely do believe in Solana an awful, awful, awful lot. But when we take a look, guys, at what I wanted to show you all, how do I buy SHIB in New York? I guess any exchange, you know what I mean? Some guy bought SHIB at the bottom. I mean, always buying SHIB at the bottom is definitely a good idea. Sell MANA, it's up to you. When did you buy? It's really all up to you, man. Polygon Matic, I love. I heard they're scaling, working to scale Ethereum. Rune. No real thoughts on this. I mean, looks like it's been consolidating for a bit. What does Thorchain do? So it's on Binance. Liquidity protocol. Earn yield. Not bad. Looks good. Looks good. Looks all right. I mean, I don't really know much about it. Looks all right. AVAX. AVAX I've heard good things about. SafeMoon I do not like. AVAX looks like it's been stable from like a chart perspective. From like a chart perspective. Just bought MANA. Do I hold it? Did I make a mistake? You bought right now? That's up to you. Again, I can't tell you guys what to do, but I believe in 6 months MANA will be worth more than it is today. Will it go down in the short term? You know, that is very possible. So a lot of people are asking like the next SHIB. I think Samo is a great option as the next SHIB because, again, it has like the Dogecoin meme appeal. It has the whole thing going for it while also being on Solana, which is wonderful because by being on Solana, you are, you know, opening up a whole community to extremely low fees. You're opening up a whole community to really just a lot of awesome opportunities by exposing this community to Solana. So, would you guys rather me talk about what my ideal portfolio looks like? You guys want to hear my ideal portfolio? Looking for the next SHIB, or do you guys want me to continue to look at SHIB and analyze it? What would you guys prefer me do? You tell me, folks. Oh, awesome, Mike. I appreciate that, my man. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that so much, buddy. Thank you, Mike. That means a lot, my man. That means an awful, 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 awful lot, bro. That really does. Thank you, Mike. Thank you so much, dude. I really do appreciate that, man. But yeah, guys, when it comes down to it, we are just, it's really whatever you guys want. Next SHIB, what's going on, Ayazi? Evian, bro, Arker, Evian goated, bro. Evian goated, baby. Price prediction. Sure. SHIB, analyze SHIB. Okay. So, again, with Shiba Inu like this, I'm looking for these bottoms. I am looking for a bottom like this, a bottom like this, a bottom like this. Because in the end, I am trying to dollar cost average in as best possible. So I am trying to, when I look at these candles, try to find the best way to enter. And really, you're never going to be able to predict the low in these situations. So the best thing you can do, I don't like to go into what I own, Raul. It's just, it's not that I have anything against it. It's just, I'm kind of private when it comes to things like that. So again, you do kind of want to set your, you would go for like a limit buy. You would go for a limit buy where you would try to buy the bottom that you think the candle could head to. So when you look at something like this, for example, let's say I was trying to get the most amount of SHIB. Let's say I wanted to put $500 in, and I wanted to get the most amount of SHIB I could for my buck right now, right? I would look at this candle, I'd say, okay, it looks green, but maybe, in the next few hours, we're going to bounce between, like 74 and like 62. Let's use that as an example. Let's say in the next day, we bounce between here. We bounce between like 74 and like 62. Let's say we bounce like this. So I would be looking at these bounces and setting limit buy orders here. I'd be setting them here, and I'd be setting them here. So that is what I would try to look for. When we look at the relative strength index, you guys can see that there is some headroom here on the day. So that does show that SHIB has a little bit more room to go. So this doesn't always... New to the chat, nice to have you here, Chris. Much love, man. Happy to have you here, dog. Next SHIB, I will show you guys that, sure. In 2025? 2025, I mean, I don't know. Anything be worth anything in 2025, man. So again, the relative strength index is giving us some MA5, 10, and 30. Yes. I don't know why these indicators, is it giving me the MA5? Bastards making me make an account. But what does that show? I've never actually used that indicator. Limit buy. Coinbase Pro does. Coinbase actually does. Coinbase Pro actually does. 1080. Oh, man. Yeah, the 1080. I had that until I got the 3070 Ti for sure. H-bar looks good for sure. Doge Lawnmower is not a fan. ARPA, saw that already. I'm not a fan. Kishu looks good. One of the better ones. Yeah, definitely switch to Coinbase Pro, I would say, because Coinbase Pro just saves you on fees. You know what I mean? Coinbase Pro really does save you on fees. So ideal portfolio, again, you want to have a nice spread. I like with an ideal portfolio, I think it's nice to have like 30% Ethereum, I'd say, 10% Binance, because you have the Binance Smart Chain, which is very fast, very low fees. So Binance has a lot of cool things going on. So 30% Ethereum, like 10% Binance, 20% Solana, maybe Cardano you could throw in there. I would say 20% like in Solana. So now we're at like 50. Then I would use Polkadot because you could build. I know you could build on Polkadot. Then I'd take 20%, put them into the dog coins, Doge, SHIB. I'd do that with 20%. Then the remaining like 20% I'd put into like maybe Chainlink, ICP, because that's Web 3.0. And I do personally love MANA, of course, and VRA. Because VRA, 50-day moving average to 2200 day, yes. Huge difference. Absolutely. Guys, try to not spam the same message, guys. Moderators, if you see people spamming the same message, try to just see if you can time out. Like, if it's like a blatant spam. If it's like a blatant spam. Try not to spam the same message, guys. Thank you. If it's like a please check out one, you don't have to get rid of those. Do I think that SHIB gets to 20 or 30 cents USD? Nah, I do not think that is possible. I do not think that is possible. SHIB end of year? SHIB end of year. Again, I could see Shiba Inu at the end of the year headed to, you know, realistically, I could see SHIB at the end of year going to, like, it's hard to say, but I think 0.0002 is fair, because that would be a little over double what it is now. So that would bring the market cap for the end of the year. That would bring the market cap. What's up, Henry? Next 1000X? Sure, I get into that. That would bring the market cap to around, I think, 100-ish billion dollars. What's up, Tech Man? How you doing? It's happy to have you here, bro. Appreciate it, man. Back over 1,000 viewers, bro. Love you guys, man. Much love, everybody. Make sure to follow me over on Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino, guys. Follow me over here, guys. Please do give it a follow. Would love to have you guys over here. Link is in the chat, guys. Matt Garbarino, drop the Twitter a follow. And please do, folks, join the Discord. As well, guys, if you all would like to get started trading on a different platform, folks, if you guys would like to get started trading on a platform I think you guys are all going to want to know, check out Robinhood, guys. Links in the chat, as well as I have Webull and I also have Robinhood. So if you guys, of course, are not interested in Webull, I do have Robinhood if on the chance, you know, they actually end up getting, hey, Z-Cut, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. If there is a chance that they, you know, end up adding Shiba Inu to it, or if you guys already use my Webull but you want to make a few more bucks in some free stocks, you guys can use Robinhood here, guys. Link is in the chat again. Check out Robinhood. Sign up, guys, with my link there in the chat. Of course, it is super, super easy to do. And again, if you guys want to, you know, go through Robinhood and Webull, you guys could do that, of course. So Robinhood there, link is in the chat. I see you guys over on the Twitter. Thank you all so much, man. Thank you all so much. Love AMC. Long-term hold. I believe it is a long-term hold. Absolutely. Definitely, again, take out your initial investment, but as long as you do that, I'd say let it ride. Who knows? Engine, I like Engine. Absolutely. Horizon. Heard great things about it. Heard it's a privacy coin. I knew about Horizon a long time ago, but I heard about this back when it was $40, but I didn't have a way to buy it. Horizon. Interoperable real-world use cases, proof of work, main chains, side chains, a lot of privacy, encryption. Yeah, I think Zen's the real deal. I like Zek as well, Zcash. I've heard Zcash is good. Cat Girl. So low volume. I really don't know, to be honest with you. Oh, that looks not something I should look on stream at. Yeah, I'm not gonna look that on stream. I apologize. What's up, Charles? How you doing? What is up, guys? What is up? How you doing, Charles? You're up 20K on Mana. Wow, you are amazing. Good for you. How do you find coins early? Definitely, again, try to outthink, like, where will the community move next? You know what I mean? That's the thing I like to think about. Price of Shiba Inu in the future? Again, I could see SHIB realistically by the end of the year. Slight audio compressor. I could do that. You want me to use an audio compressor? I got you. You want a compressor? Sure thing. All right. How does this sound? Is this better or worse? Let me know. Thoughts on the mic? Change, guys. Thoughts on the mic? Do we think the mic is better or worse? What do you guys think, man? Let me know. But again, guys, I would guess around like maybe 0.0002. I think is a very fair, very reasonable thing. Indifferent. Back off a little bit. Better. Okay. Same. All right. Saitama, I've heard is like an okay kind of better. Nice. Awesome. I've heard Saitama is kind of like an okay kind of like same questions. I don't mind, Terry. Nice to have you guys here, man. Saitama, I've heard is one of the better like SHIB alternatives. I plan on holding SHIB for a long time. I do believe in SHIB, and therefore I do believe in it for a long time. Way better. Nice to hear. I like Mana. Love Mana. No, I don't like it. I love it. See ya, Soccer. Much love, my man. Thanks for hanging out tonight, man. Reddit is okay. Definitely, again, trying to think about ecosystems. So, again, I know like this metaverse thing, once I should have found this morning. I should have noticed this morning, just because this is such a big thing. You know what I mean? Like I should have known that, like, a digital universe, of course, Mana, like Decentraland, a decentralized digital land, yada yada. So I should have known this, right? With SHIB, you know, I can see it again. The market cap a little over doubling. I think that is reasonable. Again, when it comes down to it, is SHIB going to hit a cent? No, I do not believe it'll hit a cent in the near future. In, 10 years, is it possible? Maybe. Extremely unlikely, extremely difficult, unless they have extremely good burn mechanisms in place. So, unless they have really good burn mechanisms in place, that would be important. SafeMoon, I do not like. I'm not a fan of SafeMoon. Basic attention token. We looked at this earlier, didn't we? Making DeFi accessible. Oh, they have the Brave thing. The Brave thing. Yeah, I like Brave. I actually use Brave as the browser. So yeah, I like basic attention. No issues with that. I like Brave's Brave a lot. Engine looks good. Engine looks very similar to Mana in a sense. Dogelon looks way too, like, oversaturated. More SHIB burns incoming. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. CHZ. Market cap 2 billion. What is this? Fintech for sports and entertainment. Yeah. Yeah. It looks like it's got potential. Sure. Mainstream consumers. Yeah. This looks pretty sick. Yeah. Looks good to me. I don't own it, but looks good to me. Ash, what is H-bar? H-bar is doing good, isn't it? I know a lot of people like H-bar. That's down on the day. Weird. But I heard it's doing good on the month. So I've heard that one is good. But I think Doge and SHIB create a bidding war. Thank you for Saitama. Of course. How you doing, Zahid? Welcome. Starlink? What is Starlink? Yeah, I love Mana, man. I love Starlink ain't even on here. And I'm not sure what that is. So I definitely, if it's not on here, probably not ready yet. Love Mana, man. Love Decentraland. Love it, love it, love it. But again, if you guys have not already, folks, make sure to check out my channel where I actually talk about Mana and Decentraland and all of that good stuff, guys. NFT Kings here, folks. Link is in the chat, guys. Make sure to go check it out. NFT Kings. Hey, what's up, Mr. Gamer Guy? What's up, bro? Make sure to check it out, guys. NFT Kings. Link is in the chat, folks. This is my second channel. Let me know once you guys have subbed to NFT Kings. Type subs. Let me know if you guys have subbed to NFT Kings in the chat. What's up, Breaking Down? What's good? What's good? Let me know once you guys have subbed to NFT Kings, folks. Let me know. Too late to buy Mana? I would wait a little bit if it was me. I don't know anything about Squid Game. I have no idea what that is. Sub Jolo. Thank you, man. Thank you. Let me know once you guys have subbed to NFT Kings, guys. Stockmo said SHIB would be at 0.00014. Sounds reasonable. Yeah, that definitely sounds reasonable. Anchor, I have it. I have Anchor. I like it. I don't really know what Anchor does, to be honest with you. I just bought it a long time ago. What does Anchor do? Anchor, Web3. Oh, Web 3.0. Web 3.0. Nice. Nice. Higher rate of return, traditional staking, earn on Web 3.0. Yes, love it. Love it, love it, love it. I do remember that, Vango. That was really stupid. Checked your SHIB in cold storage. Your fingers got cold. Doge about to bull run? That I do not know. We can look at Doge. Sub. Thank you, Princess. Chris Scott, thank you for the sub. Talking Turkey. What does my title mean? I'm just talking about what SHIB is doing tonight. What SHIB has been up to. Long Striker, thank you for the sub over there, man. Appreciate that. So here, guys, is what SHIB is doing, folks. Again, Long Striker, thank you for the sub. P Wild, thank you for the sub. So, guys, here is what SHIB looks like it is going to be doing here on the night. Ryoshi Vision, that's related, isn't it? I'll look at that soon. So, we have a 10% decrease. You know, this kind of pullback was to be expected. And, honestly, as long as we are able to bounce off of the 6 line, I think that is okay. Where SHIB could be in April of 2022. In April 2022? Hey, thank you for the 2. Gamer Guy, I love it, man. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate you, bro. Much love, dog. So, April 2022, I could realistically see this being at, like, somewhere around, like, 0.00... 0.0003 or 4 if things like really are continuing to grow. That would put it at like a $200 billion market cap. That would put SHIB at like number 3. That would put SHIB at like number 3. So in 2022, again, we would have to watch crypto continue to grow in that way. Another one, and when I started investing recently, still a rookie. Hey, Adam, I appreciate that so much, man. Much love, Adam. That means a lot, dude. That really does mean a lot. Guys, if you've not already, guys, make sure to join my Discord, guys. Trying to keep it active, folks. Here's the Discord, brothers. Join it up. Link is in the chat. Love Mana, man. I can see Mana at $5. Easy. What does it mean when I hear you guys talk about burns? I get to that, sure. That basically means they're taking tokens out of the circulation. They're burning them. They're getting rid of them. They're getting rid of supply. Here's the Discord, guys. Join up, gang. Join up. Let me know when you guys have joined. Tell me join in the chat. Let me know when you guys have joined up on the Discord, folks. Would love to have you guys over there. Join up on the Discord, gang. Link is in the chat. Would love to have you guys there. Saitama on Binance? You know, possible. Love Zen. Yeah, Coinbase Pro is easy. You just go to pro.coinbase.com and I think they'll tell you how to transition. Yeah, apparently there's a Spotify playlist. I don't know much about that, but apparently there is a Spotify playlist. So, JNE, you're still mining? Catgirl, no opinion on that. Shitcoin, from what I can tell. With SHIB, you are still mining out of a set supply. What's up, Nihilish? I like Theta a lot. When you mine, you are still like taking out of like the total supply. So when they burn, you are essentially getting rid of some of that. Mana or SHIB? I like both, honestly. Theta seems to be good. Tight bounces. Let's see. Tight bounces trend. These are pants. You talking about bounces like this? I mean, something like this would be like a good... Armando, yes, same time every day, man. I am live every day, guys, at this time. How you doing, Armando? SHIB on Coinbase Pro is awesome. So, like, hitting these bottoms, this is a good time to kind of, like, limit buy. So, yeah. Comes in with bounces. How do those work in that instance, Paul? Could you explain that? That sounds awesome. I don't like SafeMoon, just because they kind of their tweets are kind of juvenile, like kind of immature, like their tweets. I don't feel like they're professional, and I don't know. I've heard that every time you sell it, like they take like kind of a lot. Like I don't know. I've heard bad things about it over the time. Your friend so does Doge. Doge to move to SHIB. Hey, that might be the idea. From Iowa, how you doing, Compa? Hello from Florida. How are you doing, my friend? Welcome. Thank you, Nahar. I appreciate that. I think you are awesome. So happy to have you here. Decentraland, I love Decentraland, man. Absolutely adore it, bro. I adore Decentraland, man. One of my absolute all-time favorites, guys. Decentraland is amazing, guys. Not just good. Decentraland is amazing. I love it. But yeah, so when we look for the next Shiba Inu, why is NJ mooning? Because I think it's related to Mana, like that virtual reality kind of thing, like not virtual reality, but like kind of like the Sims 2 kind of thing. How does Mana tie into this? Well, essentially, the focus is to a immersive 3D virtual environment, which kind of is what Mana really is. And again, when you go to Decentraland's website. When you go to their website, you guys can see it is kind of, that kind of 3D, kind of cool, like, you know what I mean? That 3D kind of thing. Iowa in the house, Texas. I like Doge. I like Baby Doge. Baby Doge seems like a little safer, like one of these safer ones. Is Sandbox part of Mana? But Dogecoin, again, am I confident that in my lifetime, Dogecoin will hit 50 cents again? Yes. So in the end, if you're looking to... You join Discord. Wonderful. Wonderful. If you are looking to purchase Dogecoin, again, I think maybe it might be an okay, time to accumulate. Again, not a financial advisor, my personal opinion, but I do think it might be an okay time to, reaccumulate some Doge. But yeah, guys, if you haven't already, guys, make sure to follow me over on Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino, guys. Drop a follow. Link is in the chat. Link is in the chat. Again, Melia, $300 in Shiba. That's up to you. That's never invest more than you can afford to lose. You know what I mean? Always do your own research. The circulation supply has still not been fixed. So when we look here, the circulation supply for SHIB has not been fixed. So this 549 should really be a lot lower, which I think would definitely help against some of the FUD. Gala, what is this? A year? Okay, it's a game kind of thing. It's on Ethereum. Gala Games, what is it? It's an app. They have a Discord. Okay, so similar to very similar. Looks like a Decentraland, but a lot less cool. But yeah, definitely, you know, burning those coins, it would be cool. Yeah, the Facebook Meta thing is kind of like a like real world kind of thing, yeah, or like a virtual reality kind of thing, like a 3D kind of thing. Bid ask sizes instead of actual. That I'm not sure. I haven't had issues with that. Ideally, Armando, I think a market buy is like the easiest if you're trying to just go for like a market buy. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, again, when we look at SHIB here on the night, I know a lot of people want to talk about this. Again, our market cap here is down to 36 billion, which, hey, shout out to Rush King. How you doing? The market cap here is down to 36 billion. No problem, Elia. Down to 36 billion, which is okay. You know, again, we are still ahead of Dogecoin, which is crazy. But we are at $36 billion in market cap, which is okay. Again, the volume is down a lot, so there's kind of a lot less like trading going on, and I think that could be a result of, you know, this supply issue here on CoinMarketCap, or the fact, you know, it was just very saturated. You know what I mean? It was just a very saturated token that had a lot of you know, people in it. And yeah, you want Doge? Okay. So here is Dogecoin. Okay, so ready for the next SHIB bull run? You bet, Milan, you bet. So we have this surge, and then we have you know, our high up surge, and then we have our falling wedge. I think this is kind of, wait, I messed up my line here. Hold on. From what I've heard, something like this is kind of, let me see. Something like this. How do you, my chart people, my chart fiends out there, my chart fiends, how do we interpret this? What was I gonna look for? Oh yeah, I always check this. Crypto wedges. So a wedge like that, let us see. Because again, you would have to be like a psychopath to have all these wedges memorized. So bullish expanding triangle, is that? No, it's kind of like a converging. It's kind of like a converging triangle. Bullish falling wedge. Yeah, I guess it is a falling wedge kind of. So again, when we draw the Doge wedge out here, you know, it kind of is. Yeah, kind of is like a falling wedge. Yeah, absolutely. Best app for stocks. I do like Webull. Robinhood is good too. Again, Robinhood does not currently have SHIB on it, but if you guys want to get started on Robinhood as well, you guys can use my Robinhood affiliate link, guys, which will be linked here in the chat. So here is the Robinhood link, guys. Definitely go ahead and get started. Coinbase is good too. Yeah. Here is, again, guys, here is the Robinhood link. Definitely go ahead and check it out. Yeah, the supply issue definitely could help. The platforms might have oversold, creating inflation. Why don't I think it can reach what Doge has in terms of price or in terms of market cap? Because Shiba Inu really is bigger than Doge already. It already has eclipsed it, which is crazy. So a little bearish on Doge, so I say own enough to matter. Me too. I know it sucks, but again, you know, from a technical point, it looks like Doge is being bullish, but you know that only means so much sometimes. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Like that level of technical analysis is in a sense limited. Saitama, again, I've heard good things about. On Monday, I have heard good news on Monday. I have heard that the November 1st, November 1, Robinhood, SHIB, not images. Yeah, I guess there are some rumors going on here. Again, should I invest in SHIB? Again, I'm not a financial advisor. You know, you guys have to do your own research, but I do like Shiba Inu. Again, is it overpriced to a degree? You know, maybe. It just depends. In a year from now, I think it'll be worth more than it is today, and I think that does really matter. SHIB looks like a rounded top. Oh, like this kind of rounded top. Let us look. So Shiba Inu rounded top. Let's do just rounded top chart. A rounded top is used price movements from graph upside down U. So a rounded top like this, what we were talking about, for SHIB, which is this, the fact that it's rounded like this. Let us see. Price upside down U are formed at the extended end of extended upwards trends. A reversal. Duration of the pattern may take months. Understanding. Okay. So main components. Okay, so it's something like this. This is kind of what SHIB is doing. So again, never invest more than you guys can afford to lose, guys. I don't think SHIB will hit a penny. I do not. I think, you know, like a tenth of a penny is possible. I don't think a penny. Watch volume, which is higher as the charted price increases and decreases on the downtrend. So the volume is decreasing on the downtrend. Okay, it's like this middle part here. It's saying that it's decreasing. When we look at it here, when we look at SHIB, here, they're saying, okay, yes, it is decreasing a little bit. Okay. So a rounded top will represent a bearish future outlook for this. Should be cautious. As support can occur, causing rounded tops to follow. Okay. So they're showing a rounded top here. It's not so infallible. It is a technical pattern. Mana starting again. Awesome. Yeah, it doesn't have to hit a penny to make stupid money. Exactly right. Does not. Just the investors in the stock are weakening their resolve to hold the stock. Okay, so that's not always happen. Yada yada. So the rounded top is kind of bearish in a sense. Yes. So again, this rounding is definitely a problem. Is it going to bull again? It is hard to tell. Shit advice. You had it in the first half. What are you referring to? I'm not sure what you're. If you are dissatisfied with any analysis, I'm always interested in hearing why. Doggy DAO with SHIBASWAP. I mean, I know what SHIBASWAP is. I don't know much about Doggy DAO, but I do know that SHIBASWAP is very big. I've used it before. Added supply. I don't think they added supply, actually. I actually don't think they added supply. If you buy a set budget, buy a little and often. Yeah, I would dollar cost average in. Exactly. That's what I would do. Again, you know, when we look at this, we want to see a sort of merging wedge. Everyone should own some shit, but going all in is risky. Absolutely right. So again, ideally, it should look like a sort of merging wedge where it's hitting the top, hitting the bottom, hitting the top, bottom. It should look like this. But our issue is that our issue with why SHIB has decreased on the day is, again, we're looking at a rounded top. So this does make it difficult. That was a great analysis. That was a great point. Whoever brought up the rounded top, that was a good point. Because, yeah, again, according to what they're saying here, this rounded top is inherently bearish. So that is a bit of a problem because, again, it's not hitting those key tops that it needs to hit. You know what I mean? It's not hitting those key tops. Remember, guys, definitely go ahead and check out my second channel, folks, NFT Kings. If you guys have not already, guys, here it is, NFT Kings. Drop a sub if you guys are interested in MANA. If you're interested in MANA, definitely check it out, guys. Check out NFT Kings. If you're buying right now for $100 and it's a tenth of a penny, that would probably be like, I think, like 10,000 or something. But again, if you have only $100, I would put it into a business. Put it into something that can make money. You know what I mean? Put it into something that you could use to generate cash flow. Buy a mic, a webcam, you know what I mean? Something like business related. But yeah, guys, here is the channel NFT Kings. Make sure to go check it out. Yes, MANA did. I sold it for. Can't say I regret that. Definitely, again, go ahead, check that out. Also, guys, my Twitter here in chat, guys. Matt Garbarino over on Twitter, guys. Definitely go ahead and check it out. Here it is. Make sure to go drop a follow. Link is in the chat to the Twitter, folks. definitely go ahead and take a look, guys. Here's the Twitter, Matt Garbarino over on Twitter. From SHIB, you have to, what you do, Gamer PR, is you go to where it says deposit. On Coinbase Pro, you go to where it says portfolio, deposit, and then it should say like transfer from Coinbase. What's up, Evan? Evan, you've been a great supporter, man, for the past couple days here. I appreciate it, man. The bearish round top out the window. Exactly, exactly. You could, exactly right. Less common imminent bull run on SHIB in a month. We'll hit new all-time. I'd agree, Steve. Again, you know what? Sean, sure, man. Where's your comment, Sean? Oh, I did read yours, Sean. I said if you put $100 in, again, if you put $100 in and that hit a 1/10 of a cent, that would be like 100,000 or something like that. But again, or that would be that's a real long shot. I would take that $100, put it into a business, try to build something, put that $100 into something that you could actually use that is concrete. You know what I mean? That you can use to create cash flow, Sean. You know what I mean? To generate money. You know? Thank you, Evan. Much love, my man. Much love, man. Much love. So again, guys, when we look at this, a Robinhood announcement would be amazing, but check that Swash loss in the Discord. I recharged Swash with the gate. Lost 13 million. Oh my God! Someone bought on that exchange. Jesus, that is crazy. That is crazy. That's awful. That is absolutely awful. No problem, Sean. No problem. Yeah, man. I'd put that money into a business, man. Get some money flowing, man. You know what I mean? It's not that SHIB isn't worth buying anymore. It's that I would be slower and a little bit more careful with how you buy. You know what? If I was looking at this right now and I wanted to go to sleep, sure, Crown. What is your question, Crown? Thoughts on Kuma? Kuma Inu. Kuma Inu. Market cap is so small. I have no idea. It's just a little too, just a little bit too small for me to give a comment on. It's like Jama and Shiba. Jama and Shiba is like some shitty like SHIB coin I bought. Hey, it's up on the day, nice. But yeah, definitely not doing what I wanted it to do. Steve, appreciate it. Drop a like, guys. Let's see if we get to 600 likes. Can we get to 600 likes? How the coin could do what it did, Paul, where it was like the exchange. So they had like extreme gas fees. I don't know, Paul. That is insane. I have no idea, man. That is crazy stuff. Shiba Inu will not hit a penny by the end of the year, guys. It will not. I'm sorry. It will not. Veracity, Tableau. Oh my goodness. I love you, Tableau. I love you. I love Veracity. This is, in my opinion, not a financial advisor, in my opinion, Veracity is the greatest cryptocurrency of all time. This is my biggest investment. I love it. Can I tap my forehead? You bet I can tap my forehead. To me, Veracity will be the greatest cryptocurrency in history. That is me. I love Veracity. I love it. Guys, Shiba Inu will not hit a penny, guys. I do not believe it will. Tableau, my man. I love Ethereum. Love it. Shiba Inu's built on it. Because in order for SHIB to hit a penny, guys, it would be literally impossible. It would have to kill Bitcoin. So it would have to get a market cap of at least $1 trillion. Well over $1 trillion. Dogecoin was never this cheap. Fun, fun, fun. Love and respect from the Philippines. If they keep burning it, you know, maybe. Malia, thank you. I appreciate that with the 5. Thank you so much. Hey, Paul, I get the question a lot. You know what I mean? I can't lie to people, man. I can't. 10 cent is impossible. Yes, I think it is. I refuse to lie to people for viewers. I will not. Shiba Inu will not hit a penny, guys. For the foreseeable future. For at least 5 years, I would say Shiba Inu will not hit a penny. Dogecoin, again. Dogecoin, when... Yeah, the clickbait crap is bad. Again, everyone clickbaits a little bit. You know what I mean? Like PewDiePie, Mr. Beast. Everyone clickbaits a little bit. But I just cannot lie to people, man. I can't lie to people, bro. Again, Dogecoin was never, you know, 0.0000005 of a cent. Dogecoin was already, you know, when it was on its incline, was already, you know, around a cent. So, you know, that is why Dogecoin, you know what I mean, has had this. Dominic, I like to interact, Dominic. That's kind of my style. I like to try to interact with people. I feel like if you're on a stream, you know, you probably want your questions answered. You know what I mean? So yeah, again, if they burned SHIB, that might help. I just, you know, 0.0001, a lot more feasible. A lot more feasible. Sanchez from India, how you doing? hold until 2025. Hey, I mean, you know, that is risky to an extent, but I hope crypto is doing good in 2025. I really do. Old videos I've been talking about, some of you think. I don't know about talking about, honestly. I haven't heard of it. Jorge with the 5. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Nicholas, how you doing, buddy? 1 billion SHIB, even 1/10 of a penny is $1 billion. Yeah. Again, 1/10 of a penny is very hard. What I would do is just try to learn crypto, guys. Learn the way crypto works. You know, I personally believe in cryptocurrency. SHIB is a part of a big picture, man. It's not all SHIB. It's SHIB, it's Bitcoin, it's Ethereum, it's Doge, it's everything, man. But the reason why I like VRA is because they're actually working on proof of view. VRA you can get from verawallet.tv. So if we go to verawallet.tv, you guys can see that it is a good place. You guys can go and check out your wallet there. That's a great place you guys can go. Again, follow the Twitter if you guys have not already. Matt Garbarino over on Twitter, guys. Drop it a follow, folks. But yeah, verawallet.tv is one spot. You can also buy it on exchanges. Where are they listed? They're listed on some of these. KuCoin, you know, all these ones. I see Verasity hitting $1 one day. I really do. DWAC. Yes, I have some of that. I like it. I like the mission. I like everything about it. So yeah, VRA, again, when you look at their website, what is cool is that they are essentially for esports and video entertainment. They are basically rewarding you for watching and advertising, things like that. Proof of view, which is a literal patent. VRA have an actual patent, which I think is the only crypto that actually has this. So yeah, they have an actual patent, which is amazing stuff. They're working on YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo. I mean, that's crazy. DWAC, I actually called the day before and then was tired and went to bed and didn't buy it, and was literally enraged when I woke up. Love MANA, man. I love MANA. Again, I don't recommend anything. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do like MANA. I've heard Tezos NFTs are coming up and are up and coming. Meta apparently is going to have something to do with MANA. You know what I mean? Apparently Meta's going to have, you know, a big association with MANA. Yeah, I like it. I like it an awful lot, man. I got in this at 60 cents. I think it's awesome. You know, I love what they're doing, and yeah. Matters, what's up, buddy? What's up, Matters? How you doing, man? So nice to see my Call of Duty people here, man. How you doing, Matters? What's happening, brother? How you doing, man? But yeah, can't buy. What are you trying to buy without the Coinbase wallet? VRA by end 2021. I could see VRA by the end of 2021 being at like 15 cents. I think is reasonable. I think 15 cents is reasonable. Absolutely. Guys, make sure to follow me over on Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino, guys. Link here is in the chat. Matt Garbarino, follow me over on Twitter, folks. I like VRA the best. My favorite crypto. I'm biased. Guys, there's some people talking in my Discord about whether or not isn't his scent, guys. It is not bad energy to say that something that is statistically impossible will not happen. That's just being realistic. Hey, thank you, Matters. Much love, my dude. I appreciate that, buddy. I appreciate that, dog. So again, guys, like, it is not, you know, I don't want to start a divide on this. It is realistic to say that Shiba Inu for the next decade is not going to hit a cent. It's just realistic, guys. Let's be realistic with our price targets to where people aren't disappointed. I think that's a better idea, to be realistic, to be accurate. 15 VRA, awesome stuff, man. I like VRA a lot. Love it. Ligma, I got diagnosed with that last year. Love from India. Yeah, again, only investors you can afford to lose. You know what I mean? Weird things have happened, yes, but Bitcoin, like, well, short term, yeah, Jordan, yeah. I mean, that's, you know, again, that's your call, man. But I like VRA. I've been a massive fan of VRA. I'm not ignoring you, Gilbert. There are 800 people here who are talking about this. Who are talking about chat. How you doing from Croatia? Milan, how's it going? So if you're begging, wait, what do you mean if you're begging? I'm not sure what you mean. VRA may be on Uniswap. It actually might be. Is VRA on Uniswap? I feel like it is, actually. I feel like VRA is actually on Uniswap. Yeah, it is. It's there. Dogelon Mars kind of looks like I don't know much about Croatia, but I've heard good things. Dogelon Mars kind of looks like it already had its run. I feel like we missed kind of, yeah. Dogelon Mars already had its run. If you are beginning, If you're beginning, I like Ethereum, man, as like a safe, you know, like a little spread between like Ethereum, you know, Solana I like a lot, and I like, you know, SHIB/Doge. So, you know, but if you have like really little money, man, really little money, try to invest in a business. Invest in something that creates money. Bitcoin could go to 100,000 tomorrow, but if you put $100 in, you know what that's going to be? 140 bucks or so. Hey, I'm not sure, Lettuce, but I'm happy to have you here, man. 350, that was a little high, maybe, Danny, but again, in 6 months, I think Mana's going to be higher than it is now. Again, you know, I wouldn't put in more than you can afford to lose. I would probably watch it for the next couple of days. If you want to, like, absorb the fees, I mean, I don't know what you use, but ideally, if, like, Mana right now, if you wanted to, like set a limit sell for, like, 350 in hopes of just, like, waiting a few days to let it, like, settle to make yourself feel better, you could. Or if you want to just hold on, I mean, looks like it ain't crashing too much. You could set a stop loss for $3, like, where you just set stop loss. So if it hits 3, boom, sell all of it, or sell some of it. You know what I mean? Meme coins are not meme coins anymore. They are massive project, exactly. Wazir X, I'm not sure. I've heard mixed things about that. Saitama seems okay. Don't know much about it. SHIB could hit 1 cent in maybe like a decade. SHIB realistically could hit like 1/10 of a cent, 100th of a cent is much more realistic. On a monthly basis, to dollar cost average in, you know, whatever you feel is right. Maybe, you know, 10, 15% of your portfolio, 20% of your portfolio, you know. I love Mana, man. I adore it. But if you guys like Mono also, with Wix are brutal, I know. But, people miss that. You have to think ahead. You might be able to dip in this. Yeah, you don't want to be forced to sell. Exactly right. But if you guys are particularly interested, folks, in getting started, and of course getting started with understanding, understanding Mana and Decentraland and NFTs and all of that awesome stuff, guys, definitely go ahead and check out my second channel, guys, NFT Kings. I am on here. The link is in the chat, guys. So definitely go ahead and check out NFT Kings. Link is in the chat. Yeah, taxes. You do have to have money to pay taxes. Yes, so definitely make sure you have some, you know, laying around to be able to do that. Here's the channel, guys. NFT Kings. I see Solana at the end of the year being at like 300 and VRA being at like 15 cents. That's my personal guess. I'm going to get a bottle of water just because I'm so thirsty and talking a lot. 1 second. Do not go anywhere. And in the meantime, let me know if you guys have subbed. Tell me, let's get a subbed chain in chat, or like subs to NFT Kings in chat. Let me know you guys have subbed over here, guys. If you guys want to understand NFTs, to learn about them, I teach you everything you know over here, guys. I teach you everything you need to know over on this channel, NFT Kings. I'm getting a water. Don't go anywhere. Do not go anywhere. We are back, everybody. We are back, baby. We are back. Hey, man. We held most of our people, folks. And I left it in the other room. Oh, my God. I just left it in the other room. Hold on. I just left it in the other room. Oh, my goodness. everybody. Be right back. Someone said, is he making the water? Did someone say that? Did someone say he is making the water? That's really funny. Happy to have you here, Malia. I appreciate that. Facebook was dealing with Mana. It does seem like Mana has an association. Pete, let's go, Brandon, baby. Let's go, Brandon. Subs. Thank you, Ricardo, for the sub over there. Appreciate that. Let's go, Brandon, baby. Anyways, guys. So yeah, link for NFTs, guys. Here is the NFT channel. Drop a sub, folks. Drop a sub over there. Drop a sub, folks, over there. Drop a sub. Here it is. Here's the NFT channel. Jules, thank you. Malia, thank you. Appreciate that, guys. We're able to get to 6K. Awesome. We're at 6K. Thank you, guys, man. Eduardo, please stop repeating the same thing there, Eduardo. Sorry, Eduardo. That's just too much spam there. Holiday Blaze, how's it going? What's happening? How is it going? Shiba's down. Will it go back up or should I cash out? Again, that's up to you. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. It's up to you guys. But when it comes down to it, it looks as if SHIB is getting ready to enter a kind of bearish phrase just because of this rounded top, which someone eloquently pointed out earlier, that this kind of... Compton, name of the sub over there. You sent it to a Coinbase wallet, Oliver. I'm not sure, but take your time, man. Do your research on that. You know, I'm not the guy, but do your research on that. Olivier, because do your research on stuff like that, because let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. Yeah, you definitely do your research, Olivier. Again, I'm not the guy, but make sure you're sending your stuff to the right place. I used to scare the shit out of myself by sending like Ethereum to the wrong place. I see VRA at 15 cents by the end of the year, personally. Discuss NFTs. You guys want me to talk about NFTs? Same pattern as last time? Not exactly. Not exactly. I mean, this pattern hasn't really been seen. This hasn't really been seen. You could say that maybe like this is a rounded top, but it's a little bit more aggressive. So, you know, it's up to you guys. Want me to talk about NFTs? Shiba Inu, finding the next SHIB. What do you guys want me to talk about, man? What do you guys want me to talk about? Kishu looks good. Shiba Inu looks good. 4K at 75. Wait, what did you buy at 75, Thomas? Daily holders, that helps, but the whales do really matter. I'd see 15 cents. Play guitar? I could in the future. I don't think people here want me to play guitar. NFTs, Dogelon, NFTs. Should we hold NFTs? Yeah. So if you guys are interested in NFTs, check out the NFT channel, guys. It is NFT Kings. Drop a sub over there, guys. The link is in the chat. So that link I have here, check it out, folks. This is the NFT channel. Would love to have you guys over there. I really would appreciate that. We are at 6K subs over here, which is just awesome, guys. So here's NFT Kings. Definitely go ahead and check it out. I would absolutely love to have you guys over here. Here is NFT Kings, guys. Go check it out. What's going on, Mr. Tanker? Welcome back. So yeah, this is the channel. So what do you guys want to know about NFTs? You guys have any questions about that? And then a lot of people were asking SafeMoon. I don't like SafeMoon. Next Shiba? Do I think SHIB is going to a bear market? Well, I definitely do think that Robinhood would change things. But yeah, I definitely could see SHIB being bearish just for like a week or two, you know, while it kind of consolidates. Buy them, can you make them? Well, with NFTs, you essentially can really, if you want, I could probably articulate it better, honestly, on that. I have not, Nathan, I've not used that. You subbed Awesome Atomic. If you guys want to know more about NFTs for Thomas and Maniac here, here's the link to that channel. I do explain it a lot more over there, probably a little bit better. Bearish means you think it's going to go down. Bullish means you think it's going to go up. The guy who leads Engine invented the first NFTs. Really, that is awesome. I don't know about Sands. I don't know much about Sands. So finding the next, can anyone create an NFT I could draw? Anyone can. It's about releasing and distributing it that, you know, makes it difficult. So finding the next SHIB, one that I put the most into when I was looking for the next SHIB. Your gas fees is a pain in the ass. Yes, that's why I like Solana. We'll lose liquidity, halt trading. That could happen. That would be a problem. Oh, it's doing good. Woof, this, I think personally that Woof, let's go, Brandon, talk about Saitama. Again, I don't know much about it, but, you know, it seems to be one of the more, like, reputable, like, one of the more reputable, you know, SHIB clone coins, you know what I mean? Not clone coins, but, you know, SHIB knockoffs, you know? But Woof, I really, really do like. Again, extremely low market cap, extremely low everything, but when you check out the website for Woof, for one, the Discord is really nice. The guys in the Discord are very nice, but, you know, it's a DEX that they actually are building their own DEX and marketplace. So I could see this being the next Shiba Inu for sure. Not in the same market cap. I could see this being one of those, like, explosive growers. Let the man talk. it's okay. I don't mind chat messages. I can keep up. So deflation. So half of this remaining unairdrop supply. Solana for the wrong one for sure. Maximum supply, I mean, 1 trillion, a high number, 1/50th of that. So they've been deflating and they have a community. So all around, looks pretty good. This is my favorite, like, next SHIB that I put the most into. So this I do like. I do like Woof, and of course, the way to buy it is on Radium. Radium.io. Why NFTs are relevant? Well, it's essentially the same thing as, like, art, like fine art or anything like that. I wear rock shirts. Hey, Nathan, yeah, I'm a guitar player, man. I love rock, metal, you know. 9 Inch Nails, I do not, but I do like 9 Inch Nails. I listen to them at the gym. OpenSea, but either have an audience, very cool collection. Yeah, if you don't have an audience, there's no way. It's extremely hard. Miner fees, I think just, you mean like the fees that actually come, like the gas fees? I love Mana. Been talking about that. SafeMoon's all right. It's a little, like, it feels like a rug pulley. I can't really explain why I don't like it. I'm just not a fan. I don't know. Just not really a fan. Audius, you guys have been asking for that for a while. What is Audius? 20% on the day. Market cap still relatively low. Unleash your music. Stream upcoming. Wow. Freedom to share and listen streaming platform. Decentralized streaming platform. Wow. I like this. I like this a lot. I really like this. I really like this. So whoever pointed that out, yeah, this one looks good. High gas fees are good if you buy definitely early on the coin. Yeah, I mean, I could look at Saitama for sure. Yeah, so this is the Facebook rebrand here. They're going for with this whole, like, meta thing, and I guess Mana ran because Mana is sort of. I'm in SHIB, Saitama, Wolf, Engine, NFT, Panda, Paradise. Let's go, Brandon. You bet. I'm using CoinMarketCap to look at these, but essentially Mana was linked to Facebook, you know, with their announcement. It kind of ran because of that. I do not know if Facebook actually will be using Mana. That's the sort of unknown. It's like people decided Mana should run. Facebook did not decide Mana should run. You know what I mean? Which is the difficult. SHIB in Coinbase app title in the App Store. I think so. I think it's in the regular Coinbase. Yeah, I think so. Luffy Inu. I can look at that. Picked it out last night. Hey, what's going on? Is he really? Let's go, Brandon. What's happening, Andra D? How you doing? Am I saying SHIB will continue? I always catch I take my lunch. Hey, awesome. What's going on, Danny? We're just talking a little bit about the Facebook rebrand, how that affected Mana or Decentraland. SHIB will not hit 1 cent. I'm sorry. I wish it could. Not physically possible in the current state it is in. But yeah, I like Mana a lot. Matic, I know, is working to scale Ethereum. So, did Flocky go crazy? How did Flocky go? 20,000%. But yeah, it did have a nice run, for sure. When we look at... How you doing, Prem? What's going on? Chilies. Chilies. Did we talk about this earlier? What is this? Chilies is... What is this? I actually don't know, like, what this... It's not loading for me. What is the world's blockchain fintech? Oh, yeah. Fintech, sports, entertainment. Yeah, I said this one. This one definitely looks good. Engine, I like. Why is SHIB going down so hard? Yeah, for sports fan. This one looks good. This one looks really good, actually. Market cap is still low, too. So, you know. Yeah, I do like this. I like this a lot. I might get some of this. I like this. And engine, I think, is running with Mana in the same way. Kind of VR kind of thing, I think. Not VR, but like the 3D kind of stuff. So why is SHIB going down so hard? Well, really, why is SHIB... Kishu I like. It's kind of like a... it's like a, you know, one of the slightly more, like, reputable, you know, SHIB knockoffs, you know? But see, the issue is we want this to be, when it comes down to it, we want this to be like a merging, a sort of converging set of wedges here. But someone was pointing this out earlier, but when you look at a rounded top, which is something like this, where it rounds in this sense, it looks as if SHIB is doing that, which is unfortunate. So this rounded top doesn't look good, because what it's showing is that, you know, on a psychological level, you know, it's going lower, but the highs are not, you know, maintaining where they should be, you know, somewhere around here. Major foray in the meta space. Mana's be more mainstream. Yeah, I mean, I hope Mana really does stay around. I loved it. You know, I loved it a long time ago, and I still do love it. Matic, I like it. I like Matic a lot. I've had it for a while. I was going to buy it at 35 cents. Then I hated myself and bought it at $1, but we're still doing okay. Polygon, essentially... Ethereum's Internet of Blockchains, a protocol and framework for building blockchain. Hey, Andra with the $2. Long live HBAR. I appreciate that. Thank you for the $2. Appreciate that so much. So it benefits Ethereum's network effects, more secure, more open and powerful. So they're offering $2 million if you discover vulnerabilities. It's pretty sick. So what they're trying to fix is Ethereum's limitations. So the solution is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks. So, blockchain networks, glowing set of modules. Okay, and I know a little bit about this stuff. It's complicated, but security as a service. Okay, adapter modules. I mean, this complicated stuff, but essentially they're trying to improve Ethereum, and you know, anyone who can improve Ethereum, you know, is pretty good. I mean, anyone who can improve Ethereum is doing good. Yeah, gas these are pretty bad. Yeah, guys, please don't spam like that, guys. Don't spam like 20 times, please. Thank you. AMP. I think we looked at AMP a little bit earlier. Let's see what AMP looks like. Any new coin? Hey, well, we've been, Steve, we've been going through a bunch of stuff today. What is AMP? Assets like Dash with verifiable assurance. Okay, so you stake, okay. Collateralize a transfer. So collateral pools. It decentralizes the risk of an asset transfer. That's pretty cool. Smart contracts were already built in incentive models. So essentially, if you're making a deal, like a business deal, it looks like, or something like that, their smart contracts essentially put collateral up. So both people put collateral, and it essentially, like, I guess with, you know, making like trades and whatnot, like with people, you can put up collateral. So I guess using AMP, how do you work? You can stake it, you can do all that, I guess. Looks good. Yeah, looks good to me. SHIB will not hit a cent this year. I'm sorry, guys. It will not. I wish it did. It will not. Which new coin, Steve? Kishu. Kishu looks good. Again, guys, try not to spam too much, guys. Let you know, the messages are going fast. Again, what do I think about hype? Which SHIB can be accounted for? I definitely do think hype is like a big factor in these, you know, circumstances. Again, the problem is we're not dealing with like an insane, you know, exceptional amount of hype right now. So, you know, when it comes to... But I like Kishu, by the way. Some people are asking. I like Kishu. When it comes to hype, like, look, man, what we are working with is an asset that is very strongly, like, reliant on, like, Twitter and social media and stuff. I speak facts. Thank you. But with that said, it right now it is kind of leveling off. Like right now, it's not like there's not a push on Twitter like dump your shit. Like that's not happening. Most people are kind of just letting it sit in their accounts and kind of wondering what to do. You know what I mean? So that's why I personally don't really have much of a worry like when it comes to like social media appeal. Again, once social media and like hype promotes it, that will help. But right now, for like the next few days, I could see raw technical analysis being actually more important than... I could see that be more important than it was like a couple days ago. I like AMP. We just talked about AMP. I do like that a lot. Hey, Saitama, I'm sorry to hear that. Again, make sure never invest more than you can afford to lose. Will it hit 70 today? It could possibly hit 70 again. Sure, I don't see why not. It could, do a little this, something like that. Possible. Target for Shiba Inu, I mean, again, I think at the end of the week, if things go according to plan, I could see it, again, going above 70 again. Really, what I'm looking to is to make sure it ain't dropping below this kind of 60 line here. You know what I mean? Yeah, Mana, love Mana. I have a lot of Mana. I love it, love, love, love it. Anchor's great. Love Anchor. We were just talking about that earlier. Anchor is absolutely awesome. You've been asking about ARPA. Let's see ARPA. Low market cap, low volume. What does ARPA do? A privacy computation network. Security. Okay, they're trying to for enterprise data renting infrastructure. So a lot of technical shit, but precise ads. Okay, data wallet, personal data. Okay, healthcare. Yeah, I mean, this looks good. This looks good. Have no issue with that at all. Yeah, Robinhood would definitely cause like Robinhood would probably cause like a real surge, a heavy drop, but like it would after all of that like level off nicely. You know what I mean? I feel like it could level off nicely after that. Thank you, Malia. I appreciate that. Appreciate that. Steve with the 10. Thank you, man. I appreciate that so much, dude. Thank you for your time, Steve. It's been a pleasure having you here. I really appreciate that, Steve. Thank you so much, my man. How important to SHIB's popularity is Robinhood? Hey, what's going on, Floyd? What's going on, brother? Hey, Floyd, you're long overdue for mod here, man. How you been, Floyd? What's happening, buddy? Much love, my man. What's up, Brand? But yeah, guys. How important is SHIB's popularity is Robinhood? Robinhood will help a lot. I definitely will help a lot. Will AMP hit a cent? Possible. That was at 14 cents now, right? It has the market cap for it. Which exchange offers the best support during huge pumps? I like Coinbase Pro, to be honest with you. I know it's kind of like normie or whatever. I do like Coinbase Pro. I think a lot of Robinhood users would buy. I definitely do think a lot. And if you guys want to get started on Robinhood, and let's say for whatever reason you guys want to be, yeah, what's up, Price? Still going, man. Thank you, Floyd. Much love, man. I know this might not be too entertaining for you, but I hope you guys do enjoy it still. But yeah, if you guys want to get started on Robinhood, guys, here's my link. If you guys want to, for whatever reason, get on there, just in case, like, SHIB gets listed and you want to, be one of the Robinhood SHIB people to join up on that craze, you guys can use my link. Would love to have you guys over there on Robinhood. Robinhood pump will be a good time to make some money. Yes, selling the top, taking profits, yes. Why is it hard to purchase lower coins? Because they're not on a lot of main... they're not on a lot of main exchanges. 7 million SHIB, 15 million safemoon. Awesome, awesome. There was an issue with CoinMarketCap. Yes, Yanni, you bet. I like Anchor a lot. Love Anchor. We were talking about that earlier. Love Anchor. We were talking about that. When it comes down to CoinMarketCap, yes, it was showing that issue where here, and it's still going. It is still going. So they have not fixed this circulating supply problem, and that really is an issue because people are thinking, okay, this is creating FUD, this is causing issues, and that's an obvious, like, massive problem. Gas fees suck. I hope Kishu does well. Could Anchor be pumping according to TradingView? Well, let's look at the graph here. Anchor, 10%. Yeah, that's looking good. That's looking like a nice... That's definitely looking like a nice graph, looking like a nice, period of consolidation here. Yeah, Anchor looks really good. Looks really good. Coinbase wasn't use massive fees. Yeah, fees are bad, man. Fees are bad. Mana market cap supply problem? Oh, let's take a look. For sure. So, market cap, StoreJ, I've heard of that. I will take a look at that for you. Market cap? Nah, I mean, market cap's got a lot of room to go. Supply? Nah, it's still got some room too. I see no issues here. I can easily see this. This could easily, like, 3x, sending us to $10 and leaving us at $18 billion market cap, which would put it right above Terra. So it's extremely possible. Extremely possible. Doge and SHIB did it, you know what I mean? So definitely possible. What is Shiba Inu price right now? Let me go to the SHIBs. I think a lot of people do want to hear SHIB instead of altcoins. I'm going to go to SHIB for a second, and then we'll get back to the altcoins. So essentially, what we are working with here, people asking you know, what the lowest price could be, whatever. What I'm looking for is essentially this line of support somewhere around 60. I don't want it to get below here. If it does, I'm going to be reevaluating. Because again, we have this rounded top, which is kind of bad. This is not particularly good, but again, when you zoom out, you can still see that, you know what I mean, it's looking like kind of a symmetrical kind of wedge. So in a sense, it is okay. It's just you wish these tops were a little bit better and these lows are a little lower. You really wish it kind of just fit the symmetrical wedge and wasn't so like slightly off. You know what I mean? Anchor $2, that'd be a stretch. So what is Storage? I've heard of that. I actually do not know what Storage does. Wow, that's a long time ago as well. What does this do? Legend. Hey, thank you, Yanni. Appreciate that. Meta, yeah. Facebook rebranded to Meta. Cloud storage. Okay. Pricing. So cloud storage. So it's wow. So it's Dropbox or what's the one? Is it Dropbox? Yeah. So it's Dropbox but decentralized. That looks good. Yeah, it looks great. That looks good. Absolutely, that looks good. Ford with the 10. Thank you, buddy. Much love, dude. I know you've donated before, and I appreciate you donating again, man, on here. Best place to follow these coins. Again, you want to buy somewhere. How do you get the address of VRA? I guess, I feel like it's on here, isn't it? I don't know, man. I'm not, here's the contract, but I'm not the guy, Jordan, to ask about that type of stuff. I've gone to bed literally like shitting a brick, worrying sick about like sending stuff to the wrong address. So I'm not the guy. Hey, Suze. The only issue is I have 690 people here who are typing a lot of comments, and I do like to interact. So the best place to buy all these early, again, what you pull your money out back in protest. Well, it did hurt them financially. To buy all these early, you have like KuCoin, Gate. You have some of those. KuCoin, Gate. I use Gate for a lot of them. For Bitrex is good. Uniswap, you know, kind of the basic one. You use Radium for Solana-related stuff. So yeah, so those early coins, again, there are some options. Binance, you know, I've heard is good. For sure, guys. For sure. What to buy now? Well, again, it's all up to you guys. You know, I'm not a financial advisor, but it is, you know, whatever you guys like, man. I mean, I've been this stream, I've been going over, you know, some of these. Stellar. Should we buy? Stellar's 38. Should we buy SHIB? I've been talking about my SHIB thoughts. I'll get back to that here in a second. My SHIB thoughts for sure, man. Storing and moving money. Okay. So you like, what is it? Transfer money. Trade and send representations of forms of money. A single network makes money better. Little payment apps. So it's like a so you know what this reminds me of? Hey, with the $7. Thank you, Dave. SGE, I have not. I will be happy to take a look. Thank you so much, Dave. I appreciate that, man. So this looks like when you go to like when you go to like a airport, or like when you go to a new country and they go to like, and they like, you know, swap out your money or whatever. That's kind of what this reminds me of. Like, you go to the booth and they give you like, you know, 90 Canadian dollars for your 100 US dollars, whatever. That's kind of what Stellar looks like. SGE. I'll be happy to look at that for you. So SGE, Society of Galactic Exploration. Extremely low volume, low everything. But what is the idea here? Thomas, thank you for the $5. I appreciate it, man. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, Thomas. Deep space, gravity of your wallet. The longer you hold, the more it grows. Space exploration looks cool. Mobile app. I mean, if they follow this roadmap, yeah. I mean, if they follow this, it looks cool. Problem is, again, like, the Ethereum fees would be brutal to buy that with. Volume is just so low. Volume is just so low. Steve, it feels amazing, man. It feels amazing, dude. It is the greatest feeling in the world. You guys do not understand how amazing the feeling of having you guys all here is. I can read this. Maiku Mush. I can read this. Steve, I appreciate you hanging out here, man. It really does mean a lot to me. It really does. You guys don't understand. I'm still in shock. I'm trying to temper it, like, to get myself to shut up, because I know people are probably like annoyed about like hearing me like repeat my like excitement tonight, but it's been It's been absolutely unreal, guys. You guys have been unreal. Guys, follow me on Twitter, guys. Make sure to drop a follow here, folks. Matt Garbarino, guys. Drop a follow over on the Twitter. Profit and stablecoins, I don't think so. They always just match the dollar, right? Here's the Twitter, guys. Drop a follow over there, guys, in chat. If rounded top ever happens lower than 600. So you're saying if the rounded top ends lower than 600? Firestarter, Metaverse, Flame. Oh, so something with the meta thing? Flame? Have not, but appears to be having a good day for sure. It's on Polygon. Nice. So you're suggesting that if we look at this here, this rounded top continues like downward, like below 60, like that. That would be tough. That would be really bad. I hope that does not. I really hope that does not happen. That would be kind of rough. You have 39 million SHIB. That is awesome. That is absolutely awesome. Good stuff. Doge on Mars. I feel like the run like kind of already happened with Doge on Mars, and that's kind of like my only like sort of like kind of issues. I feel like that already kind of like happened. You know what I mean? Like, so that is kind of my issue with that is I feel like Doge on Mars like already had that amazing run. But yeah, all projects do have to start somewhere. That is true. I mean, low cap coins are the future, man. Efinity. SHIB long term. I think it'll be fine long term. I think there are a lot of people already interested in it. Again, if you bought it like 80, I would be a little like, maybe I bought a little high and try to dollar cost average down. But, Q1 shopping. High market cap. High volume is not always a good thing, but volume that feels normal. Volume that feels normal. What's going on, Sol X? Low circulating supply, lower supply is better. Definitely. The volume thing, what you want really is like volume that feels more stable. Like again, this volume here, looks to be a little bit more stable with the relative strength index. MANA 358, nice. That is great. But now I feel like I would wait and see what MANA does over the next few days. You know what? If you miss out and you buy it at $4 in a couple days, you know what I mean? Like that's not tragic. But on the chance it doesn't go to like $2, I would wait a little bit if it was me. How relevant is burning coins? Any significant impact? Again, it depends on how much they burn. I don't really know if they're burning enough to make a difference because in the end, who isn't buying? Who's buying SHIB that really cares about the amount that's available? No one really. Let's go, Brandon, baby. Saitama SHIB life. You know what I'm saying? Like with Bitcoin, it's like, oh, there's only 21 million Bitcoin. But with SHIB, it's like, oh my goodness, there's 300 quadrillion SHIB today instead of 500 quadrillion SHIB today. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if anyone really cares about that. So it'd have to be significant. If it's significant, that would help. I use Coinbase Pro, but I do have an affiliate link for both Robinhood and Webull. If you guys wanted to get started, here is the Robinhood link in the chat, guys. And of course, the Webull link as well is at the top of the description. So definitely, guys, do go check them out if you guys want to get started trading. But I do personally use Coinbase Pro for crypto. But again, I do think Webull's nice because it's kind of like an all-in-one kind of thing. So yeah, man. That is what's up, folks. Go ship my first Avalanche meme coin. Dropped a couple of hours ago. Tractor, nice. Luffy. Let's go, Brandon. Gas fees are on Ethereum. So essentially when you send stuff on Ethereum, you have to pay gas fees. That's to complete the transaction. Tommy Jr. from last night. Who was Tommy Jr. from last night? Oh, was that the guy I timed out? Was that the guy I timed out by accident? Or my bot timed out by accident? Wallets buy these coins? No, but are you an NFT guy, Fahad? Are you into NFTs? I do have NFT tutorials over on my NFT YouTube channel. So if you guys are interested in checking that out, NFT Kings over on YouTube, guys, definitely go ahead and take a look here. Here it is, NFT Kings, guys. Link I will put in chat. Definitely go ahead and drop a sub, guys. Looks bearish. Based on technical analysis, yes, Mighty, but, definitely not anything tragic. I personally do not think so. Tim Lee, yeah, if it happens lower than 6,000, Tim, I would probably reevaluate. I would see it like in the 40s, probably, if that's the case. Too late to buy SHIB? I would wait a little bit. and see what happens. See what happens. It's looking a little bearish right now. Jeff with the 2. Thank you, man. I appreciate it, Jeff. Thank you, man. Alt season. Yeah, I think typically happens after Bitcoin. Awesome, Fahad. Yeah, I do have a tutorial on the some Phantom wallet stuff on here, but I do not have a tutorial on Ethereum wallets because personally I am ass at using them, and But there is the second channel. ID Finance. I'll take a look at that. But yeah, alt season typically happens after Bitcoin. Change the currency in Coinbase Pro? I'm not sure what you mean, S. What do you mean change? It starts by like pairing it like a Bitcoin pair. You want to switch it to like a USD pair, ideally. Opinions on SHIB? I love it. I love SHIB. Yeah, I would like to see how they correct that amount. Luffy. Let's look at Luffy. On chills, is that a good thing? Chills. I will look at that again. I forgot about what that is. This looks extremely extremely. How you doing, Parker? Cryptoverse, Marketplace, Dex. Luffy, possible. I mean, it's got some stuff going on if they follow through. You know what I mean? It's a matter of these guys are showing their faces, which is respectable. Uniswap, you buy there. Yeah, I mean, this looks fine. I see no issues with it. Yeah, looks fine to me, man. Definitely no issues, what I could tell. All seems to have Bitcoin. Yeah, but I definitely do think it's clear to say, like, which SHIB and stuff we were on Altcoin. You put half your SHIB in chills. I don't even see it on here, so I would... Oh, here. This one. Chili's. Oh, right. This is the sports one, right? Yeah, that looks sick. Yeah. I mean, in my opinion, that looks to be okay. I mean, I wouldn't swear on it, but this, Chills looks okay from what I could see for sure. With the sports, I could see it having a good future for sure. We're just going to go back and look at 10 years. Awesome, Thomas. We love Webull out here, gang. We love Webull out here. It's not showing me the ones. I know people have signed up since and gotten the free stocks. I don't know why it's not showing the ones here. Weird. But yeah, what's weird is I'm trying to find how to actually get that how to get that. Where is my Webull affiliate link? I don't know. I hope it's the right bonus promotion. The menu, promotion center. So yeah, I don't know if this is copied. I hope this is the right one. I hope this is the right one. Is it showing me my invited? Yeah, I guess is this the same link? Is this the same link here? LI, yeah, that's the same link. Nice. Okay, good. Is this the right link here? When you do that, it gives you that. I'm just trying to look and see. Yeah, I mean, they are the same link. Yeah. Guess they're right. And time burns will start. Yeah, I think they definitely will start to matter at some point. SHIB merch store? That would be sick, where it's burned every purchase. Cheyenne, I know, man. I know. Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff, bro. Thanks for hanging out, Cheyenne. Yes, I'm holding SHIB, Devin. Yes. Not as much as I was before, but I am holding SHIB. I'm looking to re-enter. I think SHIB could still be the #1 coin if Elon Musk doesn't pump Doge. If he pumps Doge, it might like overtake it for a bit. But I love them both, man. You know what I mean? It's not like a competition. I love them both. You know what I mean? The Weekend, yeah. I mean, Weekend could have a factor for sure. Piccolo Inu, low volume. All right. Might be okay for like was it Ethereum one? I mean, all these are basically gambling. You know what I mean? It's just, all these are kind of gambling, and that's fine. It's just, you know what I mean? 450, yeah, I sold Mana at a little over 4. I think was all right. I like Doge because it's freedom. I mean, I like all crypto, man. I'm not, like, anti-crypto. I love it all. Dogecoin, I love, a lot like SHIB. I mean, I just love crypto. Period. You know what I mean? Better than buying scratch-off tickets. A lot better than buying scratch-off tickets. There's a lot more possible upside. Exactly. Tron, it's on Binance. Okay. Decentralize the web. So what is the goal here? Trading platform. Okay, trading platform. Scalability. Scalability partners. I don't really understand what this is. It has an ETF. That's kind of cool. This guy's the founder. Okay. I don't really know, to be honest with you. I can't really get like a good idea of like what I'm really reading here. How you doing, Francisco? November 1st, Robinhood. I have heard about that rumor. I might be making a video about that in the near future. How much should be a SHIB millionaire? It really depends on what the price of SHIB is. You know what I mean? You are right. Simply am. I appreciate that. A good time to re-enter, really, a good time to re-enter is whenever it is either being oversold. Great analysis. Thank you, Prabal. I appreciate that. If you guys are new, guys, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. We are about to hit 700 likes. Can we hit 700 likes on the stream, guys? We're about to hit 700 likes on the stream, guys. But, BAT looks great because they run the Brave browser. Nav from Australia, how you doing? Make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. My views about Shiba Inu for long term, I think Shiba Inu long term will probably remain in the top 10 or 20 cryptos there is. I love it. I actually use Coinbase Pro for it. Oh, Shiba Inu channel was posting giveaway scams? That sucks. Which channel got shut down? Which one was it? Subbed. Thank you, Yanni. I appreciate that. Which channel got shut down? But I appreciate you guys for the subs. Thank you, man. Will SHIB pump again? Yes, I believe so, in my personal opinion. Shiba Inu will not reach $1. Not possible. I'm sorry. I wish it could. But when it comes down to it, guys, I could see SHIB really sitting in the top 10 or 20 long term. And I see crypto growing, man. That's what I'm rooting on. Thank you, Surendron. I appreciate that. Thank you so much for live streams playing old videos. Oh, that's gummy. Tio with the sub. Thank you. Cardano seems all right, but apparently they had issues with their smart contracts. They're having issues getting their NFTs off the ground. Mana's doing good. Mana's on a tear. Mana's going crazy, man. Mana going crazy. Love Mana. Shiba Inu will not reach $1, guys. Ha! Cheyenne, that's funny. That's funny, Cheyenne. Danny, hype, man. But yeah, guys, join the Discord, folks. It is the pinned message here, guys. It is the pinned message. Make sure to join the Discord. Would love to have you guys over there, guys. Let's see if we can keep it alive, guys. Join the Discord. Link is in the chat. Mana to $5. That'd be insane. Imagine, right? Join the Discord, folks. Join on up, everybody. Join on up in the Discord, folks. Here it is. Make sure to join. If you guys have not joined, link is in the chat, guys. The first person who says hello here will appear in front of 600 people. Can Shiba grow in this month? Yeah, absolutely. Can it get back to 0.0008? I don't personally see it happening tomorrow, but will it hit a cent? I do not think it's going to hit a cent. Hey, Price. Much love, dog. You have a great night, Price. Much love, buddy. I see Doge having another run again. Abso-friggin-lutely, I see Doge having another run again. That is completely and utterly possible. Absolutely. Elon Musk seems to like it. Seems to like it a lot. And, you know, that's kind of what matters, I guess, right? But, folks, we are about to hit, guys, 27,000 subscribers. Go back to the cord. You want to see your name? Let's do it, baby. Here you go. I'm making you a mod, Price. Here we go, guys. Just a reminder. Hey, thank you, Brian, for the sub. ID. I will definitely take a look into that. Why Elon likes Doge? I don't know. I feel like he probably owns a lot of it. Shiba Inu will not hit a cent or $1 anytime in the near future unless there is a significant burn mechanism in place. That is the circumstance. Because currently there's just too much supply. Like, if it hit a cent, like there would be like every person would have like millions of dollars. The math behind knowing, I'll be happy to share. NFT Kings channel's doing good too. Andrew, there you are, man. Guys, the way market cap works, okay? So let's say the market cap right now, Robinhood not said anything about the listing, which is very strange. Market cap right now, okay? Market cap right now, this minute, right now when we look at the market cap, wait, I want to find a tab. I'm sorry, I feel like I lost the tab that I would have had saved. I don't know. But the market cap right now is around 35, let's say $33 billion, okay? $33 billion in market cap right now, okay? So if that tripled, if the market cap tripled, what would each Shiba Inu be worth? Well, if that tripled, Shiba Inu would be worth triple this. So it would be worth like 8.00018, right? 0.00018. So that would be a massive increase if Shiba Inu tripled, okay? So in order for SHIB to get to a cent, it would have to like it would have to be like 1,000 times this market cap, which is already high, because and it's not possible because 100 times this market cap, 100 times this market cap is triple Bitcoin. I do not think that SHIB is going to eclipse Bitcoin. I just don't think so. The extremely new coins, again, a lot of them are on swaps, either like Uniswap, which has awful friggin' Ethereum fees, which sucks. Yeah, if SHIB reached the dollar, inflation would just be, yeah. So again, it would have to eclipse Bitcoin for that to happen. I don't think that's going to happen. So that's why I personally think it's more likely that SHIB gets to like 100th of a cent. That would be awesome. 10th of a cent. That'd be great. CHZ looks good. Looks really good. Yeah, we were, was this it? No, this is, yeah, CHZ. This one looks really good. Chili's. This one looks really good. To buy those new coins, you guys can always go and use like Uniswap, but they have like, Binance is a big one, Huobi. Cardano seems okay. I like MANA. I would be patient with it though. It's a little high today. Cardano had issues with their smart contracts, I know though. But yeah, all these exchanges, you can go on CoinMarketCap, find the one you like, and you can find all of these different exchanges. Dogecoin with dollars. Oh yeah, because Dogecoin, you're not buying, you're swapping it. It's really what you're doing. We're like, when you buy SHIB from an exchange, the exchange already owns it. The exchange already swapped for it. I think that's how it works. It's complicated, but the exchange already owns a ton of it, so you're just buying it from them. When you get something that's really like an under like Dogecoin or like so really no name kind of thing, you are swapping for it. You're swapping for it. But definitely, guys, if you guys have not already, folks, make sure to follow me over on Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino here over on Twitter, guys. Here it is, Matt Garbarino. Make sure to go drop it a follow. Would love to have you guys here over on the Twitter. Here it is, Matt Garbarino. I'll put a link to the Twitter in the chat, folks. There it is. Game over, baby. What's up, Jesus? I can see SHIB rising back up in the next few days. Possible. No thoughts on Yushi. I don't know anything about that. But yeah, guys, here is the Twitter. Matt Garbarino, check it out, folks. Here's the Twitter. Definitely go head over there. And as well, guys, if you guys are interested in NFTs, NFT Kings, check it out, guys. Here it is. Would love to have you guys over there. My price target for when, Simon? When do you want my price target? Like, for what time frame? If SHIB burns, like, a lot, different story, man. That changes some things. But yeah, guys, NFT Kings, drop it a sub. Let me know once you guys have subbed in the chat, guys. Let me know once you guys have subscribed to NFT Kings, folks. Link is in the chat. Have a great one, Paul. Have a great night, man. See you tomorrow, buddy. We do burn SHIB every day with the use of ShibaSwap. It's just not like an overwhelmingly substantial amount. Must be a coincidence. I mean, I don't know. I guess you're commenting a lot. I don't know. Maybe you comment a lot in caps, so maybe like when I see the caps, I don't know. Some psychology, I'm sure. Next target for MANA, I think $5 realistically in like a few weeks is possible. I think that is very, very possible to hit $5 in a few weeks. Again, again, it really is just a matter of time. But again, I do love Mana. I love what it has done. I was in here at 60 cents, and I'm here now. So, massive fan. I love Solana. Love Solana. Dogelon is a no-name in the realm of things, dude. Like Dogelon Mars has $1 billion market cap. That's big, but compared to the other, like, 90 other things that are much bigger. Amazing. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Money Mental Health. I appreciate that. Anchor looks great. Yes, Anchor looks great. I've had it for a while. It looks great. To subscribe, thank you, Darkest. I appreciate that. Mana essentially runs Decentraland. So they run Decentraland here, which is cool. Again, they have, it's almost like The Sims, with digital involving as well NFTs, of course. Kind of like a 3D kind of thing. I do not believe SHIB will hit 1 cent. Aquilina Giancarlo, I do not believe it will hit 1 cent just because that is a lot. That's very, very, very high. So yeah, here is Decentraland, guys. I love it. I'm a big fan of Decentraland. At 75, what would you do now? Sell or wait? 7K is a lot. Again, it depends. How is that 7K in proportion to your portfolio? You know what I mean? Like, how is that? Is that like a lot of money for you, a little bit of money for you? I think that kind of depends. You know what I mean? Is there a way I get the woof I've purchased? You mean woof? Are you referring to this woof no-fly zone? Are you referring to this? And where did you purchase it on? Yeah, if Facebook goes with Mana, it'll explode. It is a little overbought today, but if Facebook goes with it, yeah. In India, you're from India? Happy to have you here, King Gaming. Again, we don't know really when SHIB will go up, but it does look like it's going down a little bit. DexLab, okay, so you should ask their Discord no-fly zone. I had an issue with that as well, but from what I learned with DexLab, you have to scroll down and hit settle order or whatever. Hit settle, and that is the way to that's the way to do it. Hit settle. That's what I did. I hit settle. Yeah, for SHIB's 80 cent, it would need like a lot times of Bitcoin's market cap. Baby Moon Flocky, not heard of that. Not heard of that. H-Bar, I've heard good things about it. I don't really know exactly what it does, but I've heard good things about it. Mana will, I think, go down, make a purchase. In the next few days, I could see Mana going down, yes. 550, yeah. If Mana hits like 5, I would say. So, love from Indonesia. Technoid, thank you so much for being here. If you guys enjoy the stream, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, folks. UFO, I heard a lot about that, actually. I don't know why I heard a lot about that, but yeah, UFO, I did hear a lot about this. Why did I hear so much about UFO? Oh, because you know what? It's similar to, it's like a metaverse kind of thing. This has good potential. Market cap's decent enough. 94 million SHIB, again, that's up to you. It really depends on when you bought and what you feel. You know what I mean? But yeah, I love, of course, King Gaming, happy to have you here. Guys, make sure to choose subscribe. I like metaverse. I do like metaverse. I think it's a good concept. As long as Facebook doesn't get their grubby hands on it, but they probably will, so. Sorry for the gaps, no problem. Buff Dogecoin. Yeah, I don't know about it. Again, just a gamble. All these are like gambles. You know what I mean? Yeah, UFO looks cool. Looks very, very cool for sure. Absolutely. Any like metaverse related thing is doing well today. Actually hit like ever, Michael? Yeah, Chili's looks good, absolutely. But the highest SHIB will ever hit. Watching the graph, Alfie, I'm sorry to hear that. It sucks. You guys got to be careful out there, man. Be careful, guys. Sack B, stay blessed. I appreciate you being here. I mean, I can see SHIB by the end of the year hitting 0.0001. I think it's very fair. What's going on, Christian? Jasmine. I could look at that. Jasmine. Market cap is decent. Volume's okay. Oof. What is this? It was high, and then down, 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 down. What happened? What did they do? I don't know. That graph looks disturbing. Why does that graph look so disturbing? What do they got going on here? This is weird. Yeah, this is something that's weird here. Something's really weird there. I don't know what that is. I can see SHIB hitting 0.0001 by the end of the year. Vet, sure. Absolutely. So what does VeChain do? I know a little bit about it, but blockchain value for creative members. Application. Have a wallet. Smart contracts. Okay. Hard forks. Governance model. Yeah, looks like they got a lot going on. I mean, it's a lot of complicated stuff, but looks like VeChain's got a lot going on. Gas fees are bad, I know. Aren't they awful? FET. I think I got out of my FET. I had this at like 70-something cents. All right. I have regrets getting rid of my FET. Mononoke. Oh god, just I don't know, man. This don't look good. This don't look good. This looks like Jamin Shiba, which I actually bought. I actually own this. It's up today, but it's hard to tell, man. Queensland, Australia. I've not heard of Empire. Tamba with the 5. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure to check out my second channel, folks, NFT Kings. Check it out, guys. Link is in the chat. I like to invest in more coins, less money. Sure, because you're betting on crypto as a whole. Absolutely. Guys, here is NFT Kings. Drop a sub if you guys care about NFTs. If you guys are interested in NFTs, the link is in the chat, folks. Make sure to drop a sub. Would love to. For the love, all good. Hey, appreciate it, Tamba. Thank you so much. Here's NFT Kings, guys. Drop a sub, guys. Drop a subscription. Of course, follow me over on Twitter, guys. Here is the Twitter, guys. Matt Garbarino. Drop it a follow, folks. Right there in the chat. Drop the Twitter a follow. Go check it out, guys. Definitely go check out the Twitter, folks. Thank you, John Hurt. I always try to chat. Thank you, Yanni, for the sub. Appreciate that. That means a lot. I always try to stay interactive, John. Elon's kid can be like Tony Stark. I love SHIB, Noah. Love it, man. Love it, love it. But, guys, that's probably a wrap on the stream tonight, guys. I appreciate you all coming by. It is 3 a.m. and I do have a lot of work to do with some other stuff. So, again, I appreciate it. Got all these follows here. Thank you, guys, man. Really means a lot. Again, NFT Kings, my second channel. Go check that out. And, of course, the Discord, guys. Why don't we continue the conversation here? Hey, man, if you guys want to, after my stream here, continue talking and keep everything going, check out the Discord, guys. Links in the chat. I appreciate it, everybody. Thank you, Rene. It was awesome hanging out with you guys. I really do hope you guys have enjoyed the stream. I'll be here tomorrow. Ultimately acquire Bitcoin, the goal. I like a widespread. A little bit of Bitcoin's all good. But yeah, guys, join the Discord. Let's continue talking here. Great stream, everyone. So join up the Discord, guys. Join up the Discord. I do a little day trading, a little long term. I do a little both. Join it up, guys. Links in the chat. Thank you all for watching. I love you guys. Have an amazing night. Thank you guys for being so amazing as always. You guys have changed my life, and I seriously appreciate you guys more than you guys can realize. So thank you. Discord in the chat. See you guys on the next one. Peace.